Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. How's everybody doing out there? Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Let's see. What did I miss in the chat? Little push up only comes smacking back down here at the moment. We have Nikkei gapping down 391 points. Kospi's down 170. NASDAQ just went down and made new lows. Oof. Jeez. All right. I gotta fix this VWAP indicator. Dang it. I had it all set up and now it moved. Hey, Miss K, what's up? Hey, only losing 3,000 is actually a win. Believe it or not. Some people may not think so, but it is. What in the F? All right, let's see. I'm going to be lucky number 16. We do have a Lucid account to give away tonight. Actually, we got 2 Lucid accounts. 2 Lucid accounts. Keep in mind the daily Lucid accounts offer is going to expire on Friday at 5 o'clock. So if you guys do want to pick up 40% off Lucid, you got till Friday. Take Profit Trader sale is slated to end tonight. So 50% off TPT ends tonight. So yeah, I wish there was prop firms out there when I started trading, for sure. I need to go ahead and fix these VWAPs real quick. I need to save my workspace with the VWAP turned off. Now this morning I was a hot mess. That medicine had me zinging. I was all over the place this morning. Trade like crap. I think after commissions I was down like $300 roughly. So it looked like I was up on stream, but I was really down $300, roughly $300 when it was all said and done. So if you're wondering how I finished out today, roughly down $300. Yeah, white boy, what's up? I did not trade anymore. Going to the gym did burn off some of that, whew, all over the place. So hopefully my body gets used to it. I don't have another day like that tomorrow. Doctor said I might be a little bit more alert and jittery, but geez, that was a whole nother ball game this morning for a little bit. So hey, Kelvin, did I see on there you're getting a payout? Hey, if so, congrats. Hey, Lex, what's up? Good evening. Hey, Block Talk. Yeah, I wish I would only took 4 trades, but you know, it's kind of funny. Last night, you know, when I was up $1,100 last night, I was like, I'm gonna be up $1,500 tonight. And then went on a little downward spiral. So if we do come over and look at the 4-hour chart, look, we still have our, oh, that's not that target. I don't know why it saved that one. But if we draw this out, we have our ABC target down here at 783. Maybe we come hit that tomorrow on the ES. We also have the ABC pattern down below us. So we do something like that. Target down there is 76.19. Now, I do like that point of control up there at 77.25, but right now we are below value area low, so maybe I should focus on the lower target. Maybe. Let's go see. How do I want to do this? Move this over here. So if we look, really all we have was Bessent today. Tomorrow, we have consumer confidence coming out at 10 a.m. And that's really it. 4 o'clock Barkin speaking, but we're done trading by that point. So Kospi is still going down here at the moment. Nikkei down 548. Dragon R markets down again. Now, what is gold doing? Gold's on the move up tonight. Gold is on the move. Dang it. Maybe I should have took a little swing right here. Took a little swingy swing on gold. I don't know. We have the NASDAQ down here. How much are we down? NASDAQ's down 36. It's not a whole lot. I might end up taking a micro trade. We can look at 30-minute chart real quick. I don't know. You had to really wait and see. Do we break 29.49 and then start coming back up? Or should I just start one small one now? So we've had a 90-point range so far. Yeah, I kind of want to take a swing at that. With a micro. Yeah, I heard a lot of people I talked to today struggled. Lots and lots of people. Like, oh, you struggled today. Yep, I did. I had a rough time. So we'll see if tomorrow can be better. Can be more gooder. Hopefully it will be. Bob said he struggled today too. Yeah, that was a rough one. I don't think it had to be a rough one. I don't know. I was being an idiot. Oh, dang it. I was sleeping on that. I should have went in with the micro. I want to see if we got a little bit lower. Got below that value low. Still want to see. Do we get down there? Because we have the overseas markets dumping here a little bit. I'll look at gold ripping right back up as well. I am going to throw on the tab. I'm going to throw on MGC just in case. I'm not going to put a trade on. What I mean is I'm going to throw it on my charts. So I can look at it, just to be clear. Just in case. Hit a boss when I trade. I still trade options. Like I got options on SpaceX, which I want to check on them real quick. They got to be close to hit my target. Let me see. But my two favorite strategies to do are very simple. SpaceX. I forgot. Hey, I got calls on the VIX too. I forgot that. I got calls on the VIX. In my SpaceX, if my SpaceX options drop another 40 cents, they'll hit target. So they're getting close. But so what I like to do is I like to sell credit spreads. So sell an option, buy another one on the other side of it. So if I'm selling a call option, sell the call, buy one strike above it. I want more risk. I want more premium. I can buy it 2 strikes up, or sell puts only in something I want to own. Ideally, I usually only do it in the S&P, the SPY. That way I can sell the puts if it gets put to me. Then what I'll do, I'll wait till the market, the VIX is really spiking up to do the put strategy. Then if it does get put to me, what I'll do is I'll start selling calls against it and just use it as a monthly cash generator until it gets called away from me at a higher price. So then I got all the premium I've taken in from the options, and I got the price appreciation as well. And my goal is to try not, pick where it's not going to get taken away from me. But, back in the vid, I had a good buy on it. I rode it for a couple months and then it got called away. So I lost my little rental. I think about it as a rental property. I lost my rental property. So. It does. Credit spread. So that's why you got to get out at the If the delta starts spiking above 40, you gotta get out before it gets crazy on you. If you don't get out, that's how I had my big kaboom back in 08. I was in a whole bunch of credit spreads. All right, here we go. We're trying to get below 49. What's the low on this candle? 48. Yeah, I'm actually gonna put 1 micro on that. Yeah, I just dipped my toe in the water with 1 micro. We may come all the way down to here. But let's just see. No, hey, finite. I didn't see you. Where'd you end up? No, option spreads are really easy. Really easy. It's not hard. So with a spread, what's really good about it, the risk to reward profile could be very skewed against you, but it has such a high win rate. Like that's how I won for 14 or 16 months in a row. I said I went on that win streak where I didn't lose for 14 or 16 months. I was doing credit spreads. Then 1 trade, poof, all the way gone. So, you know, does happen. So I did put 1 on the MNQ. Only did 1. I know we might go a little bit lower. I do want to DCA into this. I don't want to get too heavy before, you know, I go to bed tonight. Yeah. Hey, but Tom, here's the problem I had with the credit spread. So back then, I didn't have as much money in my account. I had run my account from 5,000 to 36-ish, 38, somewhere in that ballpark. In that month, I already got my put spread, made money, got money on the call spread. And then I sold another call and I was like, wow, I'm going to turn this into an iron condor. Sold it again. And then poof. I was like, I can get this far away. There's no way it's going down there. And then, you know, I watched my friend get away with not getting out when he should 1 month. And he was in a different, I think he was trading SPX. I was trading Russell at that point. And both our options spreads got to where he needed to get out. I got out. He stayed in. He made money. I did not. So I lost money on that spread, but I had other spreads that made money that month. So I still made money. And it was craziness. So that was in my head. Oh man, he didn't get out last time. Look how big the move is. It's got to bounce back. The guy that was teaching the strategy, he had like a little webinar thing once or twice a week. Yeah, twice a week, but he was on once a week. He had a helper the other day of the week. He's like, hey, I'm in this trade and he's in a worse spot than I am. He's closer to price than I am. It's going to go below me. Normally we'd get out, but this is going to be the one time that you want to break the rules. He goes, not financial advice, but this is what I'm doing. So I was like, see my friend get away with it. He's in a worse spot than I am. I'm good. I was not good. And then I'm watching hey Tom, I'm watching the spreads because sometimes they take a little while for the other leg to catch up. I would be down a couple $100,000 sometimes. I'm like, and then it would catch up. I was like, oh boy. One leg would move and the other one wouldn't move. I'm like, I don't have $100,000 in my account. This is gonna be bad. I really hope it works the way I learned it. And it did. One thing I didn't factor in though was the exercise fees. And the funny part is I could have closed that trade out for a nickel like I normally would do. I could have closed it out for a nickel. And that month I said, I'm not paying commissions. Nah, I'm not paying them. F it. Yeah, that was a mistake. I would have been better off getting out for the nickel. But that one trade, I was feeling high and mighty. Biggest trade I ever did. Didn't get out what I normally did. And then even when it was really bad, if I would have just sold it, I could have paid $1 per contract instead of 15 for exercise fees. $15 per contract. So quite the learning lesson. Quite the learning lesson. Again, once again, it's better just to take the loss. Take the loss. You can always regroup, get back in, whatever. But passing the Apex eval. Oh man, that's awesome. All right, let's go look over here at the overseas markets. We're getting another situation like last night. We got gold up here at the band. Look at the Nikkei. Nikkei's down 819. Kospi's down 244. This is getting ugly. The boss, I usually try to go out 30 to 38 days typically. And I'd like to sell my options on Thursday or Friday because over the weekend, you're going to get that time decay and the market can't trade against you. So I try to sell them on Thursday or Friday. And I like to time it. So if I'm looking to sell the calls, I want to see a big push up, but then I would sell my calls and get further away. So if it broke, if the one that you sold gets the 0.40 delta, I'd have to get out or roll the, take your loss and move, roll it up or roll it down, depending off your call or put spread. No, hey, I wouldn't do it at the end of the day Friday. I would do it early in the morning. Wouldn't do it at the end. I'd do it in the morning. Now, it's funny. One of the brokers I had when I started doing that strategy, they didn't have the software where I could just sell a spread. So when I first started doing that, I had to build each leg. So I had to get this side filled and then that side filled. And then I switched over and started doing my spreads on Thinkorswim, because then I could just pick the spread and how much I wanted for it. Much easier. But hey, so we're right back down in this area. So we're coming down to the zone right here. Look at the ES. ES coming back down to this area as well. Are we going to flush it? I think there's probably a good chance we flush that low. ES is already in the zone, the low from today. So NASDAQ's down 84, Dow down 31, ES down 9, and the Russell up 4.2. No, I never did that. The boss. The spread, like you should go into like if you're trading options, you have a sim account, it allows you to trade it. You should really practice spreads. You'll be like, wow, I make money almost every time. It's really, the problem is you don't make a whole lot, but you're consistently making money. And then the key is the day that doesn't work, when it finally is going against you, you got to get out at 0.40 delta. Otherwise you're effed. It can really start snowballing on you really, really quick. Yeah, with the fake fill. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I think about that. See, back in the day, we didn't have all the simulators and stuff back when I was doing it. So the TradeStation, I don't know how it is now, but back in the day, TradeStation, you either had to be logged into your live account or you had to be logged into a sim. You couldn't just simply go, all right, I'm in my live. Let me just scroll it down. I'm going to take this trade in sim. You couldn't do that. Since I was always trading my live money, I was never practicing in sim. Now, Scotch Trade, they didn't have that. It was just live account only. Or if they had sim account, I was too dumb to even know what a sim account was or how to use it when I started. I don't know. I didn't know anything about a sim account when I had Scotch Trade. I hope you don't miss this one. Yeah, okay, Stella, hopefully not. We're gonna be giving away 2 accounts today. We'll do it'll be the first place duck, and then we'll do a poll to see what other place duck. So 5-minute ABC, 996. Oh, I like it. Hey, good eye on that one. I'm assuming you're looking right here. I likes it. Yeah, it is. I'm right in the same area. I might be off by a tick or two, or you might be off by a tick or two, one of us. Excuse it a little bit. And I just try to get in the general area. I don't necessarily have to go right to the tick. I just try to get in the area. Yeah, back in the day, TradeStation was the gold standard. I was using TradeStation before I went to Ninja. They had a programming language called Easy Language. Back then, I thought it was extremely hard. So I was like, I don't know what they're talking about. Easy language. I remember the first time I opened up the platform, it was just a blank screen. No charts. You have to click and build everything out. Man, I was like, what in the world did I get myself into? So good stuff. And my micro is already down $61 on me. I might be looking for a little buy here. If we get these EMAs to flip up and we look right here, we can get back above 49. We have the potential for a volume profile rotation trade on the way up. Now, this is going to be one where I want to change my target on it. I do like the point of control is kind of in the middle of value area high and low, but can I look for a little more conservative target? Maybe we don't come all the way back up here tonight. Instead, if we start getting above 49, which I'm going to draw a horizontal line right there across that, I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit thicker. All right. So we start getting above that line. I'm going to start looking for longs. And then I'm going to use the candle body right here on that 30-minute as my target zone. So 94, 95-ish. Actually, let's see exactly. Yeah, 95.75. So probably try to get out around 93, 94. Front run it. Oh, this trading session this morning was a dumpster fire. I got back. It looked like I was up, but after commissions, I was down. So I was up before commissions. Net, I was down. So I was down like $300 ish. So it is what it is. Is what it is. So I'm watching that carefully. Very, very carefully. Are they going to be able to get us up there? Don't want to swing it. So you can see that line even on this chart up here. I might even front run that signal, that entry point a little bit. Trying to play the game that I think we're going to break it. Then maybe start to get that push up. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash that lucky like button. TradeStation is still used by bankers and hedge fund managers. It was a good platform. I didn't mind it. Except for when they tried to do chart trader at one point. We got a little jacked up, but I'm sure they got that sorted out now. No. Hold on. All right, I got in. Let's see if we can get a little ripper here. A little FOMO. I couldn't stand it no more. Really want to get out around 93-ish. Okay, he said, did I check out Star Wars X day trading short video? No, I didn't see it. I'll have to check it out. Yeah, let me screenshot that. All right, let's go. Short term, we are starting to get overbought here. But remember, I got this trade analysis off the higher time frame chart. Hopefully my stop will be able to survive this. Mongo, you said, hold on a second. I'm trying to watch this chart. Do you go by total P&L or gross P&L when figuring out your daily profit? I look at my profit after commissions. But I end up exporting all my trades. I got a custom spreadsheet I made a long time ago. So I export all my trades. I used to do it every night. Now I do it on the weekends. Friday night or Saturday, typically. Hey, Chris, what's up? Won't you go back down there? Look, I like this. I mean, I don't like that we're overbought. We have the red background, but what I do like, we already went below value area low. Trying to come back up. I really need my stop below here, but I don't think I want to risk that much on the trade. So I'm not going to do it. I really want to, but I'm not going to do it. And I'm going to try to target all the way up here at that candle body. So this candle body right here. Then the second target, if you're doing micros, would be the point of control, then value area high. So we'll see how it all shakes out. Yeah, I kind of FOMO'd in my entry over here, but right here, I kind of FOMO'd into it. I'm like, it's going to leave without me. We've already come off the VWAP bands pretty decent. Which, where is gold at? Kospi trying to bounce here a little bit. Nikkei trying to bounce. What about GC? Yeah, look, GC had another little trade off the bands. I missed the gold trade. Hey, Lee, what's up? Time for a big push up? Maybe. Maybe not, though. Just these to push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Push it. You guys haven't yet? Don't forget the boop, that like button. We do have 2 Lucid accounts up for grabs today. Hey, you know what's funny? So, you know, speaking of the gear, I've been needing a partial knee replacement for a while. Obviously, working on cars hard on the knees and the back and whatnot. You know, I got bone on my knee. And the doctor said, wait as long as I can, because otherwise I'll end up having to get 2 surgeries in life. So I've been trying to wait it out. And man, my knee's been hurt. I've been at the point where I'm just like, F it, I'm going to get surgery. Hey, the medicine they gave me for my skin rash, hey, my knee's 100%. Or it feels 100%. It's not, but the medicine's masking the knee. It's not even for my knee. But I went to the gym today, and then after the gym, I sat in the sauna. Woo, I was wiped out. All that binging around a little bit. Yeah, I went pew, right back down. I got to take 2 more of those pills at, I'll try to take them around 9:30 or 10 maybe. Hey, Apple, what's up? So again, let's see if this pan, and this trade basically came off the 30-minute time frame. So anybody new jumping on here? Playing the volume profile rotation trade on the way up. Using a little bit of a different target. Trying to target this candle body. So, can we get it? Can we get it? Right there. Then the second target would be point of control. I only have one contract on, so for me, there is no second target. Yeah, trade's not over with yet. We know it can still come back and wipe me out. So I don't want to count the money before it's there. Not right here. It might come down and stop me out. I did FOMO into it. I didn't wait until we got above the white line. It should have, but you know, what you should do and what you do, sometimes it's 2 different things. So let's see if we can just keep on pushing up to 92, 93, 94, 95. It'll be a really good trade if it does work out. Now, but yes, I mean, I had a rough day this morning, so I should be due for an easier day. The market and I have come to terms. So let's see. Oh, hey, the Bishop. What's up? What's up? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Glad to see you on here. Hey, we are going to be giving away 2 Lucid accounts tonight. So who's going to be the 2 lucky winners tonight? Hoping tomorrow I'll be able to take my E-Foil out too. I wants to go take it out. Come on, just push it. The trade hits target. That's going to be a pretty good trade. I kind of want a little bit more. Trading the P&L wise, I wouldn't mind getting out at 96. That would make it $1,000 trade. That would be a banger. But so the target was 93, 94-ish. We do got a 9 count over here on the 1 minute. So are we going to maybe get a pullback here at the VWAP? We are above the regression channel that is declining. And if we look over here, actually, we have some delta divergence. All suggesting a pullback could be imminent. Small little pullback, not so bad. Big pullback, I don't want to see that. But yeah, we don't know how deep the pullback will be yet. If we get one, hopefully not. Hopefully rip up before you pull back. Maybe go up there and go dink. order filled and then come down, that'd be fantastic. But the way my morning went is probably not going to be the case. Yeah, swimming in the pool helps the knee quite a bit too. But the medicine I'm on now, like I couldn't believe it. 3 pills in, I was like, my knee feels like a champ. So there we go. Let's go. I really want a little bit more. I'm going to trade my P&L a little bit. Let's see if I regret this. You know, I said 93, 94. I want to get out. We hit 90. I really want a $1,000 trade. So let's go see what that candle body actually is. 95.75 is the true target I wanted to use. So I'm only going 3 ticks over it. Is going to 170. I don't know. Let's go look at it. Let me get out of this trade first. I think we're about to get out. So just give me a second. 170. Good. I don't know. If we break above that point of control, the next target's really 227-ish. The edge of this distribution down here. So. Come on. Hey, Roger Sam, what's up? What's up? Probably gonna pull back here a little bit. Again, we're getting a little rejection here at the VWAP. We're having a hard time really pushing up and above it. So let's see if we get smacked down. Hopefully not. Hopefully go up there and hit my target. Oh, what am I doing here? Yeah, at least maybe I stop the break even in case Trump decides to come out with some kind of tweet. Tanks the market. That would suck. Up 800, 900 bucks and let it poof me for a loss. Yeah, that's what they say a cortisone shot is. They said it's like steroids or something. So my mother-in-law recently got, no, I didn't trade gold. I got gold on my chart. I did mark it up on the chart tonight, but I didn't trade it. There have been a couple decent setups in gold off that second deviation band. So my mother-in-law said it fixed her knee perfectly. So I was thinking about trying that mic on my knee. Man, I don't know about getting shots on my knee. Man, I'm not a person that really loves needles, so I wouldn't make a very good drug addict. Like, I gotta give myself a shot. I don't really like needles. It's not like I'm deathly afraid of them, but I'm not in the point where I'm like, whoa, let me go get a shot. So I remember at work, the blood bank would come by. The blood bus where you go donate blood. They round everybody up, try to get us to donate blood. I used to love it when I went to Costa Rica. Oh, you can't donate blood. You got to wait a year or something. I can't remember. But I watched one guy. He was watching the needle go into his arm and passed out. I was like, what in the world? I was like, that is nuts. So we have the ES and the NASDAQ right back at the VWAP. So the ES is right there as well at the VWAP and the upper regression channel. So I don't know, man. I'm pretty pumped with how my knee feels right now. So I might be willing to go give it a shot with a cortisone. I don't know. Doctor said after the MRI, said that it would not work on my knee. He goes, we can try it, but I'm telling you, it's going to hurt and it's not going to work. I was like, so it's going to hurt and it's not going to work. Yeah, I'm good. But after this medicine that I'm on right now, that's not even for that, but I'm liking it. I'm liking taking a shot at it. Come on. I feel like they know my targets there. Like, we're not going to let him get filled. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. I was thinking we might get a little pop up too, but and I do like that we already came down into that lower zone from today. We didn't sweep the low, but at least we got down into it. So I do. Yeah, I'm sure I'll still need surgery, but if it can put it off a couple more years, that'd be fantastic. I don't know. I've never been put to sleep for any medical procedure. So I'm not so much worried about going to sleep. I'm worried about waking up. Hey, BK, what's up? Yeah, I went and worked out today. That got rid of some of that zinging around. Then sat in the sauna. After I got done working out, I sat in the sauna. The sauna really brought down my energy levels a lot. After the streaming, I just picked up even more. Then I had to take more after lunch. Took more tonight, but I feel like I've come down off it quite a bit now. A rule of thumb around the VIX? Yeah, I do. So VIX below 14, don't even try to short the market. Just wait and buy the dips. VIX in the mid 20s and higher, sell all rallies. So there we go. We got target. $1,000 on that trade. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. Thank you. And again, that came off a basic volume profile rotation style trade. Here was value area low. We went below it. I did front run the entry, but we had the idea. I thought we were going to break it. Then playing the move up to the top of that candle body. Next target would be 129. So thank you. Thank you very much. Especially after the morning I had today. I'll gladly accept that. Now I'm probably going to take that one micro that I got in earlier and try to get out probably around 129 ish, maybe. Nah, let's see if we can push a little bit higher. What's that? Maybe we'll try to push that high volume node right there, right around 158. So that micro, I'm going to try to push to about 158. And the micro we put on the stream just a little bit ago at the beginning. I'm going to try to see if I can hold that up. If we do go back down, that was intended to be a DCA trade. The market just didn't give me a shot to DCA into it. Now, a lot of it was myself. Like my mind was a wreck. My ADD was going 10 million miles per hour. Like it accelerated it. Like I could not keep all my thoughts together this morning. Yeah, session volume profiles. Meaning from it starts at 6 o'clock and goes all the way until 5 o'clock the following day on these volume profiles. That would be correct. So first trade, $1,000. Hey, risking $200 to make 1,000. I like that. Yeah, two squirrels. It was more like four of them, man. They were chasing each other in my head. It was a hot mess. I got done. I go out there. My wife's like, "What's wrong?" I said, "I can't keep my thoughts together." I was like, "We gotta hurry up and eat lunch. I gotta go to the gym. I gotta get some of this energy out of me." Like I'm zinging here. So. Oh, the master P&L and a trade copier, because you're gonna have slippage in the accounts, so there will always be difference. A lot, your other accounts, if you have a lot of accounts, you'll see a variance in all the different accounts as well. If you have different prop firms, some of the variance could be due to how much you pay in commissions. Well, hey Tom, I still got to take 2 more. So the first day they got me taking 6 of these pills. So I had to get up early. Normally I don't eat breakfast. So I got up early, ate breakfast, took 2 pills. I had to eat lunch, take a pill, eat dinner, take a pill. And then they want me to take 2 pills before I go to bed tonight. I'm like, this morning, I'm like, how am I going to go to sleep after that mess? The doctor said the first night I might be a little jittering. I was like, oh man, I'll be good. I thought I'd be like focused when he said I'll be just jittering and don't be able to sit still. I was thinking about the people that take Ritalin and stuff. I was like, man, I might be able to focus. I'm gonna have a good trading day. That was not the case. So was not the case. So thankfully I only got to take it for 5 or 6 days. 6 days, I think. All right. Yeah. I gotta take it 6 days. Last day I only gotta take 1 pill. So hopefully. And the followers were 40. Hey, Scoot, how many trades did you take? And do you have the master set up with, is it a sim account or is it another prop account? Yeah, it's not a huge dosage, I don't think. And it's really for my skin. It's not even for, that's what's crazy about it. It's for my skin. It's not for my knee, but my knee feels 100% better. So 4 total props. Hey, so if you trade, here's what I would do. If you trade multiple prop accounts, lead with a sim account. So make a dedicated sim account as your leader account and make sure you have that factor in commissions. Well, now you're using big words on me. You gotta dumb it down. Remember, all the squirrels were chasing around my brain cells today. Let's see. What is... Oh, automatic process to keep... Oh, okay. Sweet. I feel way better tonight than I did this morning. And it just kept getting worse and worse. Like it was amplifying. I'm like, man, I gotta take more of this stuff. Well, it's funny. My friend is clinically diagnosed with ADD. He swears I have it. He goes, bro, you have every symptom. It's funny. Like we'll be talking. I'll just in the middle of the sentence, I forget what I'm going to say. He does the same thing, but he'll come back like a day or two later. Hey, I remember what I was saying. I'm like, I don't even remember the conversation. So, hey, we're ripping up here a little bit. Watch, I'm looking for my target. Again, let me move this. Yeah, we're going to copy this. We'll make another copy, paste. All right, I want to try to target the micros all the way up here towards about 159. Or I say micros, but micro that I put on earlier on the stream. And we'll see if we can get up there. Get on up there. I don't want to trade. I definitely don't want to trade drunk. That'd be nuts. I'd be like, watch this shit. Smash the key. The next morning I'll wake up and be like, hey boss, can I get my job back? I lost all my money. I don't want to do that. TPT, new TPT prop. I have. No, hey, yeah, so you're good. So yeah. Hey, so they go by net, Mongo. They do go by net. So you're good. Yeah, so you're within the 50% rule. They go by net after commissions. Yeah, micro's doing pretty good. So I'm watching that second white line, 159 for the micro. Can we hit it? If I were to zoom here, I'm going to move this real quick. But if you look, you can see the high volume node right there. 6 all the way out to the end of that arrow. Right there is what I'm trying to target. With the micro. No, hey, they want me back. Fine. They've been trying to get me back for a long time. I still go up there and talk to them and stuff sometimes. So. For 10K, I'll be back. They've offered me a lot more than that. They've offered me some good stuff to come back. It's kind of funny. So hey, so when I worked there, hey, they tried to lock down the internet. We can't trade. None of that. None of that. And then one of the offers they gave me is I could have a dedicated time throughout the day. I could set myself up in a little office. They put me in a little office. I could trade for 1 or 2 hours out of the day. uninterrupted. So they say. I was like, that was kind of tempting because then the bills are going to be paid. Then I can be dedicated just for 1 or 2 hours, fire off my trades and go back to work. That was very appealing. Not gonna lie. That was a pretty good offer. So, but I will say having the more time, since I have quit my job, spending in front of the charts all day has definitely, I think, made me a better trader too. And trading online in front of you guys or with you guys has definitely made me better as well. I stop loss. I was never good with my stop loss. I was always moving around DCAing and it was a hot mess. I feel like I'm caged. Not for 1 or 2 hours a day, but maybe. I'd be like, what do you mean I got to ask for vacation? Ask if I can go here or there with my family. Like now, if we want to go do something, we just go. Just give me a little time to get my trades fired off. I can trade off my phone if I have to. So. Give you 190K. Hey, so we're getting close to my target. So look, if we zoom this down here just a wee little bit. All right, here's our white line up there, right above the session highs. Hopefully we get to the session high and we really get through it. Now let's go look. What is the Nikkei and stuff doing? Gold's coming back off that second band again. Nikkei up 507 or up down 507. Was down a lot more. Nikkei has pushed off that low pretty good. Kospi's down 149, but trying to get into this gap. Now, HSI last night opened up and really took our markets down. Then it caused the Nikkei and Kospi to start coming down as well. Or at least it happened roughly in the same time. We got about 43 minutes until HSI opens back up tonight. So I'm trying to slow down my trade count tonight. I don't want a repeat of this morning or even last night. Now I started off like last night. I was really thinking it was going to be a $1,500 night. And boy, oh boy, was I disappointed. But yeah, that's what you get. What strategy made me, well, the strategy that made me feel the most consistent was trading credit spreads because you almost always win. The problem is when you lose, if you don't get out when you should, you're effed. You're going to lose way more. Very bad. Very, very, very bad. So yeah, I have Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Apex, Tradeify, and Lucid. All active. They're not funded yet because remember I had the big blow up last week. I blew up, went on tilt, spent almost $5,000 in prop accounts. So you trade exclusively? Yeah, I used to like I really like trading the Russell. Like when I was trading spreads, like a lot. I really like the Russell, RUT. I trade SPX sometimes, but I really like the RUT. Actually, that's one of my plans I plan on doing, Ashtree. I got to figure out how I can do it on stream because I was getting introduced trading spreads on stream a little bit too. Start off doing it in sim account first. I just don't know how I want to lay that out yet. That is one of the things I'm hoping. And, you know, some of the put spreads I used to like to do. I was thinking about doing that. Just changing it up a little bit. So these trades offer bracket orders on credit spreads. Yeah, see, I don't think having a stop on an option is good. I mean, it was worse back in the day. Back in the day, those spreads were freaking ridiculous. They've tightened up a lot compared to what they used to be. So the Cosby and all those are really bad. Maybe. It needs to keep going up here a little bit. I forgot to do my Duolingo today. I don't want my streak to end. I started doing it before I went to Costa Rica. So that's what I'm trying to do right now if you don't see me paying attention. Skipping the... Hey, Four Legs, what's up? What's up? So I'm hoping we're going to make it to 159 so I can exit that micro. That one micro will be good. All right. That was pretty quick. All right. Oh, hey, so what I haven't done, I've never traded the 0 DTE spread or options. Ooh, that's not true. I might have traded one or two. I can't remember. But it definitely was not a primary strategy. Yeah, I got my 185-day win streak or streak going. So I didn't want to lose it. I just had to do it real quick. All right. Even this session is going good. I had a banger trade one out the gate. Well, not really. So trade one was really the micro trade I put on over here. Just one micro. Hoping to DCA into it. Trying to get out roughly 159. The second trade was basically a $1,000 trade in the NASDAQ. So we played off the volume profile coming up right here. I front ran the break. We broke below value low. I front ran coming back above it. Targeted this candle body right up here, the top of the candle body of that wick. And that's all the trades I've taken. Nice. Nice. Bank of Korea. You want it to short here? Yeah, just be patient. We still do have sell side targets, but look over here. We came back into the lows of today. Well, actually, we just barely missed it. So the NASDAQ barely missed getting back into these candle wicks down here. And now we're trying to reject up. Now I am curious. How deep was that retracement? That retracement was less than 78.6. So you know what that means? We could have a little ABC pattern on the way up. That would take us all the way up to 297. Interesting. What about ES? ES did get in the zone. You see the wick right there? Got into the zone. Candle body, candle wicks. Yeah, I might wait. Hey, on that NASDAQ, I might not get out at 159. I was going to target this white line up here. I might try to push it a little bit further. I might try to hold out a little bit. Well, had a nice drop. Let's go check it out. Earl, what you doing? Oh yeah, I did. Look where oil dropped from right here, the second deviation band. Whoop. Now we're back in that zone. Could oil maybe bounce? Maybe. What about gold? Yeah, gold will have to get back in these bands for me to want to short it. Not interested at the moment. Everything's green just a little bit. Well, Nikkei is really coming back. Look, it's only down 332 now. Kospi's down 146. HSI opens up in 35 minutes. So let's get it. Let's get it. So. Hey, Finite, you have a, I didn't even know you had a channel. You have a channel? Let's go check it out. I didn't know you had a channel. Sweet. I'm going to go subscribe to it. Hey, boop. There, I just subscribed. You got a new subscriber today. I didn't know you had a channel. All right. Hey, not a problem. You come out here and support me. I appreciate it. Oh, hey, Mike, hold on a second. I'll drop a link. Actually, I'll drop a link to anybody else that wants to. What the heck? Why can't I not find the channel now? There we go. I was like, what's going on here? You guys want to check out his channel? It's right there. Bam. There you go. You guys check it out if you guys like. Give him a little subscribe. Hey, Frank, what's up? What's up? Well, I like the fact I'm being patient. I got my sanity back in my head today from today. I'm liking it. I feel more gooder. Let's see. We're almost at that 159, but I'm kind of debating on, do I want to push it up? I am a little bit nervous if the HSI opens up and tanks. Is it going to pull our markets back down? If it doesn't, then we definitely have some upside testing we could possibly do. We have the point of control way up here, which I don't think that'd be tonight or tomorrow, even 595. And on the S&P, we have all the way up here at 77.25. So that would be a banger of a move. We still have not completed the ABC patterns on the way down. But even if we were traced up here towards this point of control and then we rejected down, that would not invalidate the ABC pattern that we already have down to 76.19. So I still kind of like it. And on the 30-minute chart, was it 30-minute? Yeah, 30-minute chart, we mapped out this ABC pattern on the NASDAQ that goes all the way to 297. Yeah, we might get that 190. Hey, so is it your sell order to exit a long or your sell order to short it? So let's go. All right, so Dow's flat. ES up 4.5. NASDAQ's up 27. Russell's down 0.8. Oh, dang it. Dow's making a liar out of me. Now it's down 0.1. Or it's down 1 point. 1 tick. 1 tick. 1 point. Hey, fine. Thanks for coming in and hanging out with us all the time. Appreciate it. People don't realize it's hard to get a little traction on your YouTube channel. At least it has been for me, but I'm not very good at speaking. I'm more of an introvert anyway, so it's a little bit tougher. Oh, fine. You're always on here contributing. I see you on here every day. I appreciate it. And if I see YouTube pop up your videos, I'll try to make sure to watch it all the way through so you get all the credit. Smash the like button on it and try to leave you comments. Try to help out the YouTube algorithm for you. Yeah, I haven't heard no drums this morning or this evening. What's up with that? Let me make sure my speaker's on. Yeah, my speaker is on. I haven't heard any. Where's the meter at? You know, it is close. If we look, we're at 61 right now. We get below 81. Might hear a little bit. Oh, there we go. There's a little drummers. I do like we're pretty far away from the EMAs. Do I dare smack it? Do Do I dare look for a little poppy bot back up? I might take a little swing at this. Whew. I hit the buy button, nothing happened. Maybe my mouse was just off of it just a bit. Gold's getting far better moves. Better moves. Hey, Roger, I put gold on my charts to kind of... Yeah, gold's coming down pretty good. We're already at the view app, though. I already kind of missed it, I feel like. Russell's in the red and Dow's in the red now. It might be. Hey, legs, it might... 4 legs, it might be. Don't do it. It's gonna be a losing trade. Oh, you think so? Beep. Oh, yeah, it was. Hey, the boss, good night. 1 a.m. Yeah, that's crazy. Craziness. I'm getting pretty pumped up about doing some London session streams. Pretty pumped about it. Don't know exactly when I'm going to do it yet, but I'm trying to get the logistics worked out. Trying to figure out when I'm going to sleep. Trump sent out a private tweet. Hey, Raphael, so far my night's doing good. So far. I put on 1 micro trade, it's green. I had 1 NQ trade, made 1,000 on it. So far, it's a great night. But last night I was up 1,100 and yeah, went down. I think I went down 1,100. I finished up like $400. Then today, I think the only good trade I had was in the beginning. No, that's not true. I had a couple good trades today, but collab, is there? There's no sign up. I don't know what you mean by a sign up. There's nuns. London Revenge Tour. I don't know how long it's gonna last. I'm thinking 2 to 4 weeks, maybe. Unless I'm really enjoying it. If I'm really spanking it, then I'll be like, all right, let's go. But oh, CL back green. Hey, what I really want to see is does gold make it back down to the lower bands? If so, I might be looking to buy gold if it gets down here. I'm kind of watching it on my other screen. You have others talk to you. Jesse comes on here and hangs out. I met him from the stream. I used to stream the Asia session at night, and we became friends, and he comes on the stream, hangs out. He might be on tonight, which I haven't talked to him in a while. I talked to him when I got off the stream. I said, bro, I am zinging around. I can't keep my thoughts together. So I haven't talked to him since then, though. Usually I talk to him in the afternoon, but maybe he was busy and I thought I was still going through it. I went to the gym after I sat in the sauna. That really took the energy level down substantially. So I think at probably 10 o'clock, I'll probably go take the other ones. Let's see. Are they going to push it back? I probably should have got in down there. Maybe back down around the... Let's say if we can come back down these EMAs, maybe I would have smacked it real quick for a long. Still favoring the long side at the moment. I hope not. I don't want them to keep me up tonight. I want to get to bed. Now, if I get drunk, oh boy, I can't imagine. I could do some damage to my account, or maybe I can make millions. Who knows? All right, let's do it. Dang it, I missed it. But you know, I'm still involved in the micros, so it's not like I totally missed it. You know, I'm still Even though we're going up, I'm not getting the NQ. I'm still in the MNQ. I haven't closed it out yet, so I still got some skin in the game at the moment. Hey, Raj, I will say gold definitely moves good at night quite often. Yeah, 408. I'm not worried about being up or down 48K. I'm worried about, really having a bad tilt day and just maxing it out. That'd be bad. 50 contracts, NASDAQ, pass out, wake up. Why does my phone keep ringing from the margin call department? Please deposit more funds. Yeah, Raj, I got it on my screen where I can see it. I wouldn't say I missed it, but I probably definitely should have took some of those trades tonight. Business expense. Yeah, but that could be put me out of business expense. That would be bad. You need money to be able to trade with. No money, the game's over. I guess then I would really have to start from scratch. That would suck. I don't know that I would be able to do it. Not having a job. That would suck. That would suck really bad. Blowing up your account, starting all over. Yeah. Yeah. Or I could just not do it. Hey, just not do it would probably be the safer bet. Well, it'd be really dangerous. You do it one time. You make all this money. Like, hey, that's the key. I just got to pound a few back, relax. And then, man, I see the markets like no other. Second time you do it, you lose everything. House, everything. All gone. That'd be bad. Very bad. So, yeah, sometimes the best trade is no trade. Facts. So market still feels a little bit slow. I'm really curious, is the HSI gonna lift the markets or is it gonna tank them like last night? Nikkei is back down 543. Kospi's down 170. So how's it all gonna shake out? I don't know. I just don't know. Yeah, guys haven't yet. Don't forget, it's not too late to smash the lucky like button. Just boop. Yeah, the fall behind thing should be turned off. Should be. Let's check that. Yes, it's turned off. Now you can still fall behind, but it just won't. It's not as bad. It reduces it. And we got 2 Lucid accounts up for grabs tonight. 2 dos. Let's see. Who's gonna be the winners of them? Excited for the end of October? Hey, Four Legs, why do you gotta wait to the end of October? What's special about October? When's the duck race happening? I don't know yet. I don't know. I thought about maybe doing a little bit earlier tonight, but I don't know. We'll see how the market and everything's unfolding. And Q wants second deviation band. Yeah, I agree, Raj. Look, that 159 is right on the edge of that band. I may end up getting out when we get up there. I swear I said my original target was. But then I started looking over here on the 30-minute chart. I'm like, we still got a nice juicy target all the way to 297. So do I maybe turn this into my overnight trade? Because that would be a banger. That would be an absolute banger. From 54 all the way up to 297. That'd be over $500 in that trade. If it hit. That's assuming it hit. All right. That's best case. It really depends on the setup that I took. Lately I've been going for bigger moves, and when it works out, it's great. When it doesn't, I'm up a whole bunch and I let it come back on me. So that's not good. Oh yeah, for sure. Hey, get that free first. That would definitely be more important. Get debt free. I remember I had 13 credit cards maxed out. Car payment, jet ski payment, motorcycle payment. Lived in a 1-bedroom apartment and I made $11 an hour. I had to walk to work sometimes because I couldn't afford to put gas in my truck or in my car. Sorry. So yeah, that was fun. Fun times. I'm lucky I got to learn that lesson when I was young, before I had any real consequences. Heard Dave Ramsey yelling at you. Yeah, this call is being built. You can see on the 1-minute chart. You know, this is a bull flagpole. Here's a little flag portion of it. Could be. For sure, could be. Or do they fake it down first and then rip it? We are above the VWAP. Here's the VWAP right here. So. All right, Ninja stuck. Oh, that stinks. Yeah, I think we're heading higher, but I could be wrong. So I'm open to the idea. I may be wrong. Yeah, it definitely does. Hey, BK, it makes all the difference in the world. All the difference. I remember contemplating filing bankruptcy, but I was like, man, I made a deal. I'd pay whatever. So I sucked it up and, you know, I had to walk to work a couple times. It was either pay the bill or put gas in my car. Most people would probably put gas in their car, but I've never paid a bill late, nor do I ever plan to. So, hey, Shetna, what's up? Good evening. Hey, you might be. Hey, that'd be great. Hey, Four Legs. Hey, Four Legs. If you're on here when we do the race, I'll put you in the race. I'll put you in. Give you a shot. And that would be awesome. That would be amazing if you're able to get the payout and then pay off some bills with it. Ooh, that'd make me very happy, actually. All right, real estate. I got you too. You know what's funny is I used to joke. So I had the first time I had a really good run in the markets. It was roughly a 90-day period. I made roughly 90 grand. So I was averaging 900 something to 1100 something per day, roughly. And I was joking. Woo, gotta go down. I didn't really want a Lambo, but I was joking to my friend at work. Man, we gotta go down to the Lambo store, go buy a Lambo, and then poof, it didn't work no more. I took 2 weeks off between Christmas and New Year's, and then I don't know, it was a lucky streak, I guess. Because it definitely did not work the following year. The following year, I think I made 19,000. After making 90,000 in 90 days, roughly. That sucked. I bought my friend, this is back when smartphones were still fairly new. Bought a new smartphone. Took 2 weeks off between Christmas and New Year's. In terms of, you know, actively trading, I still have my spreads, but I wasn't aggressively day trading. I was still trading. I was probably still doing 1 trade a day, but I wasn't trading like 20 trades a day. Probably doing 1 trade a day, but just to be done, because I've always made sure I at least place 1 trade a day. What did John say? Must have missed it. Let's see. Oh, ask. Hey, yeah, Bob, are you back yet? Or you still have a few days before you leave? All right, HSI opens up here in 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Oh, nice. Let's go. Hey, John, I could eat a nice steak dinner right now too. Let's do it. We'll meet. Bob owes me Chipotle. We just call him. We can just, call it even for all the interest for not getting my Chipotle yet. Go to Ruth Chris. Let's get it. I eat chicken at Chipotle. I eat chicken. That sounds pretty good right now too. So I had no appetite this morning, man. I'm pretty hungry now. We gotta quit talking about food. Ready for a big move? Hey Raj, I'm watching gold. It's still kind of hanging around VWAP. Oh, HSI is the Hang Seng Index. It's the Hong Kong markets opening up. And last night when it opened up, it took a dump and ended up pulling our markets down as well. So I'm trying to be a little bit cautious today. So last night here was the HSI, the Hong Kong market opened up, gapped down, just ran down, and then went sideways all night. So it was not a good night for it. Kospi is right back down 188, which is the Korean market. Nikkei is about 535 down. $8 tonight. Hey, $8 better than being down. You bought the gold contract about a month ago. That's funny because the gold just rolled over like 2 weeks ago. I think it's about 2 weeks ago. A week or two ago. Let's see if we're going to get that Tesla VWAP. But yeah, I'm trying to be cautious. Wait until HSI opens up. I want to see if it's going to open up weak and if it pulls the market down. Oh, you need it more. Hey, actually, let's go check that out. Hey, how many contracts do you have? Because gold hasn't had a $100,000 move. I don't believe. We can check that out too. We can check that out, but let's go see what the margin would be. Pricing. Margins by market. Let's go see. Let's see, gold. Yeah, you only need, that's only about 25K to hold it overnight. 25K to hold it. Oh, you have options. Okay, that's a little bit different. I thought you were talking about the futures markets. Options a little bit different. All right, I can see that. That's a little bit different. All right, now about 11 minutes. 11 minutes until the HSI opens up. So, already had the one big trade tonight, up roughly 1,000 on it. Pretty happy about that. I'm still in the one micro trade that I put on for a DCA trade and put it on back over here. It went lower. And I don't know, I might end up killing it. Right around 159 where I said earlier. I was thinking about riding it for longer, leave it for overnight trade, but I don't know. Given the given the crap I went through this morning, I don't know that I want to do that. Yeah, interactive brokers. Hey, interactive brokers don't have the best margins, but they have awesome fills on their orders. Their day trading margins kind of suck. I don't think we made the highs of the session, but I could be wrong. We'll know a lot more once this HSI opens up. I feel a little bit more confident about it. You see, Nikkei ran up off the gap down, ran down, came up, tried to pull back, trying to get a little buy in there. Cosby went down, gap down, went down, popped up into the gap resistance area, trying to roll over here a little bit. We have HSI opening up here in about 8 to 9 minutes. Yeah, I don't see any ABC patterns sticking out to me at the moment. Let's check the 5-minute chart. Hey, what we might have on the 5-minute chart setting up though, we do have that one ABC pattern down here at 997. Somebody called out earlier, but look what else we might have. Could that be a left shoulder? Could that be a head? And could we be coming down to form the right shoulder? Maybe. Very well could be. So we are below the lower regression channel at the moment. No, hey Raj, I canceled my data for gold. I don't like the way Bookmap. I didn't like the way Bookmap looked on gold or the Dow. I don't know. It just looked, liquidity just looked funky to me. Knees and toes. All right, we gotta get there. We gotta get there, dollars. We're not there yet. Let's see if we're gonna make it here. All right, there's the VWAP right there. We gonna come down there, and this will give us a lot more information. Do we bounce around the VWAP area? We can go through it a little bit, but do we generally bounce in around this area? If not, then what I want to see is, do we get a strong push down, come back up, reject off of it, and then start pushing down again? Kind of like what we did last night. Let's see. I even called it out, and I didn't freaking short it last night too. So right here was last night. We came down, we broke below VWAP, came back up, tested it, then down she went. I got none of it. Nones of it. Came back up again, we couldn't get back over VWAP, smacked it back down. So I want to see if we're going to do something like that again once the HSI opens up. We won't know about the gap until the morning. A lot happened between now and 9:30 in the morning for the gap. We do have a little bit of liquidity on the ES right here at about 69. Then we have more liquidity down here, 52 down to about 47. Now, one thing we can do real quick, let's go over and look at the GEX levels real quick. Let me pull this up. Let's just look. We still got about 5 minutes till the market opens. So let's say the market. I'm talking about HSI. Let's put this on NQ real quick. Let's see what the high gamma exposures are. So we've had this up here at 30,000 for a hot minute. All right, what about anywhere else? Yeah, it's kind of funny. Look where we came down to tonight, right where the put support was. Son of a gun. We just barely missed that put support, trying to reject back up, looks like. Then look what we have right up here, right around. And they've kind of peeled off some of that gamma. We had more gamma there this morning. Really to the upside. That's crazy. Really all the way up there at 600-ish. The downside, though, 28,500 could be a target. It's a lot of gamma down there. And to the upside, that 30,000. What about ES? Check the ES real quick. ES 7750. Decent gamma. To the downside, 7650. So I'll have to keep an eye on that. All right, NASDAQ is coming down here a bit. We came all the way down to the VWAP now. And where's gold at? Our gold keeps going down, doesn't it? Yeah, gold's starting to get close to that lower band. Gold might be in a situation where I want to pay close attention. You know, we can get down here a little bit lower in gold. I may look for a little buy. Not ready yet. I want to see, do we get down here in that zone? Kospi's down 206. Nikkei weakening down 660. HSI looks like it may gap up 116 points. Maybe. So let's see. NASDAQ's trying. Look, I like that. So look, NASDAQ trying to get that bounce. That's really weird. I don't understand how I got that line there. I didn't remember putting the view up on that chart. I definitely did. All right. Ticker for gold is GC. So on Ninja, I'm looking at GC space 12-26. If you go into Trading View, just type in GC. You go right here where it says gold futures, and it'll pop up. Oh man, Atomic, good job. Nice. Killing it. So far, I've only taken 2 trades. Way more gooder than yesterday. Way. Let's see how this HSI is going to open up. It's going to give us a lot of clues. Are we going back up or are we going to head back down? Raj sent me a chart of gold. Let's go look. Gmail. Let's look at Raj's chart of gold. Oh, 1 day. Yeah, we're getting towards that area, Raj. The FEG area. Interesting. They're trying to lift this market here a little bit. Yeah, MGC for micros. Yeah, and GLD for stocks. Yeah, I'll pull that gold thing in a minute. I just want to see how this HSI is going to open. Kospi trying to go up. NASDAQ pushed back up off the lows. Pretty decent. So any second, we should be opening up in HSI. I use 2 different tools for the gamma. I use Mentor Q if you want to check them out, save some money. There's a link in the description box down below. There's a big gap up, HSI. Also use Spot Gamma. So let's see, are we going to come down and fill this gap, or are we going to go ahead and gap and go? Let's see if we can get towards gap resistance from previous night. All right, let's go look at gold real quick on the daily. Oh, we're ripping back up, baby. Let's go. Now, MACD on the daily still looks pretty strong though, Raj. 4 hours starting to show some signs of weakness though. We didn't quite make it down to the second deviation band yet. So NASDAQ's trying to rip up. I think we're going to take out the highs. Gold's overbought. Yeah, it is a little bit overbought. I would agree. Come on. So we do have some trade detector bubbles showing up over here. Someone tried to sell it there, sell it there. Those sellers are underwater. Are they going to get squeezed up a little bit more? We start coming back down below the bubbles, we might come back down. When you stay above them, I'd expect the sellers to get squeezed. And that would be good for the micro trade I put on at the beginning of the stream. Yeah, I'm trying to get out roughly 159-ish in that micro trade. There'll be 100 points on that M and Q. I got 50 points on the NQ trade earlier. That'll be 100 points on the M and Q. If it hits. Not there yet. So we will see. Look, we're having a hard time. Look, those sellers, they were underwater for a little bit. We got below that one, probably going down to the next one. We already got there. Let's see. I want to measure this pullback real quick because this could actually set up another ABC pattern. As long as we stay above 107, we start coming back up. We can look at this as an ABC pattern on the way up. Right now, that target would be somewhere around 169. And that would put us into the deviation bands on the VWAP. We go lower. If we go all the way down to 786, that would put us around 160.75. So we just got to wait and see where we turn. If we break 107, then any hopes of an ABC pattern up are done for me. Not looking for any type of ABC pattern. Hey, Stream Beam, what's up? Thanks for smashing that like button. Again, we got 2 Lucid accounts up for grabs tonight. So if you guys want to check them out, get in the duck race and win. Got 2 we'll be giving away. We're going to give away 2 Lucid accounts every day, every stream this week. So from here on out. Today we gave away 2. Last night we gave away 1. Today we gave away 2. Tonight we're giving away 2. Tomorrow morning 2. Tomorrow night 2. The following day 2 on each of the streams. So look, we have a potential. 161 would be the ABC pattern completion. We break 107, it will not be a valid pattern. In order to truly validate the pattern, we got to break that swing high. But we can still front run it. Just know the pattern's not validated until we get above 149. So if you do decide to jump it a little bit early, yeah, I wonder how much volume the nano contracts are going to have. Nah, I find that there's other people that give away accounts too, I'm sure. But instead of just doing one giveaway, I try to spread it out. Like, 10 people win. Try to spread it out a little bit. Because you might not need an account today, but come tomorrow or the next day, you might have had some bad luck, you know, hit a bad streak in the markets. Actually, one of the accounts we're giving away tonight is a Lucid Daily. Hey, Josh, how's that? Hey, real estate, what do you want the poll to be? All right, we're going to push up. I might end up going long here. It's tempting me. Dang it. I hit the button before that. I hit the button about here. I mean, bloop, bad fill. There we go. There we goes. Come on, let's get it. Ooh. May at least move that stop in the money. Got my finger on the close button. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I still have the micro. I'm trying to get out at 159. Yeah, it's turning out to be a banger session tonight. Holy shoot. Holy crap. I was only up $300 before the stream. Every time you tune in, you lose money. Ah, maybe you shouldn't tune in. Hey, but hey, Josh, when you go to renew your account, you have to see how many days are still available. So if you renew an account, so if you pay, I had this happen to me. So if you pay for a renewal and it expires tomorrow or it's already expired, you're going to be SOL. If you create a support ticket, they will probably give you a credit. As long as you told them, as long as it was within 1 day. Nice. Hey, good job on going live with Lucid. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I don't want to cause anybody to lose money. If you think I'm causing you to lose money, don't tune in. All right, let's see. Are we going to get the 159? We've been holding this micro since the beginning of the stream or early on. Right about here is where I got in over here. So I was down a little bit on it. I was looking at the DCA, but we didn't go up high enough. Or we didn't go down far enough. There we go. No, hey, real estate. So if you, I don't say always, but it's a possibility. So if you renew an account that's already expired, you pay to reset it. You reset it. You don't have no more time in that account. It's done. Or if it has 1 day left, you might get lucky as long as you didn't click that account. Signal service. Yep. You should know better than to follow my trades. You should know better. You see me go on some nasty losing streaks. So, hey, if you ever go to reset an account, you always want to see how many days are left. Like Jesse stresses me out. He's like, oh, I have 7 days left. I'm going to reset it. I'm like, bro, it's going to take you 5 days to pass. Now you can pass in 3 days and he can pass them in 1 day. But I'm like, I get stressed out. Like after I'm in it for a day, I'm like, man, that month's running out. I got to hurry up and pass it. That's why I like Lucid and Tradeify. You know, there's no time period on how long it takes you to pass. I love that. Or even the MFF account, the EOD rapid account, there's a one-time fee. Loving it. No, hey, you don't have to pass in 3 days. You can pass in 3 days. So in the past, you used to have to trade for 5 days. Now it's only 3. Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. Man, I guess they don't want that 159 yet. Look, we had that target up here too. So over here on the 1 minute chart, we still have that target right up here around 161. We have this little ABC pattern, right? A to B, B to C for the corrective move. We broke the B point, so it is a valid pattern. Here's what would invalidate the pattern though. If we come all the way back down below 108, then it's a busted pattern. So let's see, are we going to make it up there? And I thought about leaving this trade on overnight for a bigger move, but I don't know. I don't know that I want to do that. I do, but I don't. All 4 of our indices are in the green. Dow up 26, SP up 7, NASDAQ up 41, and the Russell up 1.9. Okay, gold's a little bit below VWAP, but not. Yeah, maybe. Still waiting on your 190. So, hey, if this thing does not hit my target before I go to bed, then I probably will move it up. So if we don't hit 159 to 161 before I go to bed, I will probably move the target up because we have a 30-minute ABC pattern in play up to 297. And this is probably where I'll look to target. Now let's go back and look at the overseas markets real quick. Nikkei's down 375. HSI, look, HSI gapped up, is now down 5 points. Kospi's only down 135. Kospi had a nice little move up. Kospi might have a little ABC pattern up. I actually like this. This could be constructive. All right, look, we already broke above the B point. Invalidation point would be right below the swing point. Target would be about 3/4 of that gap. So far tonight for me, only 3 trades. Only 3 trades. I had the 1 micro trade I'm still in, which I'm up. I had the $1,000 NASDAQ trade. And then I had that, I don't know, 16, 17 point trade. So only 3 trades so far. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I gotta remember to go take my medicine here in about 15 minutes. Come on, Mr. Micro. Moving on up. Let's get it. Let's get my target out of the way. This is a lot of calls being built right here. Yeah, a little consolidation right here. Little mini trap. Flush down real quick. Whoop. Right back in the range. No, hey, Eric. So on the chart trader, it showed I was up, I think like 400 and I don't know, 20 or 30 bucks. But after commissions, I was down about 300 bucks. So today was a red day for me. But a small red day though. I told you it's either I have a really bad red day or a small red day or a green day. I don't usually have in between. That's because I don't usually give up. That's not necessarily good. The bad days are really, really, really bad. So, I was too out of it today. That medicine had me all over the place. I can't believe how good my knee feels. My knee feels like $1 million. It's crazy. And the medicine isn't even for my knee. It is nuts. Yeah, I didn't take any trades after the stream. I actually ate, took some more of the medicine, went to the gym. Now I was still feeling good in the gym, but then when I sat in the sauna, I was done. $300 down day is small for me. That's a small down day. I'd say $500 or less is small down day. I consider small. Big down days, $2,000 plus down days, $5,000 down days. So, yeah, I didn't go swimming today. I wanted to go swimming, but man, after that sauna cooked me. Like I was done. So I went from bouncing around to like I was hurting. So I'm hoping tomorrow to go take the heat foil out. So we'll see how that works out. I really need to find some strap for the selfie stick. Hey Mike, what margin should you leave left in account? What margin above the buffer? Which prop firm and which account are you trading? Size and account type. Couldn't Q be building at head and shoulders? Yeah, maybe left shoulder. Not really. I like to see it coming down. I don't want to see a head and shoulders after the market's going up. I don't like to see that personally. Ooh, I should go. I think I'm gonna do a video on that setup. I see 2 of them already. 3, 4. Five, 6. I see 6 of those. I might do a video on another Renko setup in the future. Let me write myself a little note. That might actually be Thursday's video. I think I just found one we do for a video Thursday. So I think we're going to do that. Then maybe I'll start doing more videos on Renkos. And some of the videos I've been doing recently, I know they're not going to get views. I just want to make the video. I know a couple people have had questions about it. So I got a video coming out tomorrow, actually from a question we had today on the live stream. So be careful with gold. Yeah, gold's trying to bounce back up. Hey, Raj, are you willing to short gold if we make it back to the... Oh, look at that. Yeah, Kospi's looking pretty good. What's kind of funny, though, HSI gapped up and is going down. Darn hiccups. Hey, Raj, if we get back up here, are you willing to short it? $49. My wife was telling me about that. Found in the trailer park, arrested in the trailer park. Oh boy. I really like Renko bars when we get stretched away from the EMAs. I find them better than the minute base, which I've traded that same setup on minute charts, 1 minute, 5 minute, even 30 minute, but 30 minute, you gotta take a lot of risk. A lot more risk. Shorting 2 micros from here. Yeah, I'm still in the M&Q right here. So I'm still hoping for that push up towards 159, 161, that ABC target right up here. The white line is actually the high volume node off that 30-minute chart. So it's hard to see. Like if I remove that white line, if you look really close, you see that node right there, that high volume node right there. It's very, very thin. Hopefully you guys can see that, but if not, you should be able to see it on your own volume profile right around 159-ish. So that's where I'm trying to get out of that micro at. If we don't hit that target before I get off the stream, then I'm probably going to move my target all the way up to the ABC pattern completion off that 30-minute chart, which completes at 297. And just hope that overnight when London opens, it pushes the market on up there. But again, we'll see. I don't know if it's going to or not. Maybe it does. Maybe it doesn't. Gold going through chop chop. Yeah, I had a lot of chop going on here in the NASDAQ. Had a decent little move and then chop chop. 138 point range so far tonight on the NASDAQ. S&P about 17 point range. Yeah, I used to do that too. Hey, I also used to use with TradeStation a bar type for a long time. It's called a case. I think it's case. KASC or KC. Let's see. Oh yeah, it actually comes up at TradeStation. This right here. What are case bars? Kind of like Rinkos, a little bit different, but I used to use these a lot. A lot. All the way from like 07 until probably 2015. I used those candles. I use them a whole lot. All right, we're trying to come back down here. So we're having a hard time getting some follow through to the upside to get my target. HSI is back in the green, up whole whopping 5 points. Kospi trying to come back down, but Kospi looks good to me. If we can get farther into this gap, it should be good for our markets. It'd be better if the Nikkei participates as well. We're really having a hard time in the Nikkei getting into the gap. Came right back to gap resistance, and now we're just going sideways. Maybe building calls to go higher. MACD is starting to get a little bit closer towards that zero line though. So yeah, I want to see it break. Break it. I'm trying to rip right back up. Hey, so I was watching it when we came down here. I was like, go down a little bit more. I was hoping we were getting a little bit stretched, get a little bit oversold, get the green background in the back of the chart. And I was thinking about going long, but it didn't happen. How can you secure a spy? You gotta make sure you spam the chat with a key phrase once I give it out. We do have 2 Lucid accounts we're giving away tonight. What time is it? Oh, it's only 9:53. Wow, it's still early. Feels like we've been streaming for a while tonight. I wonder why that is. Because I heard it plays 10,000 trades tonight. So. Hey, real estate, I think it helps out the Nightbot. I think the more times you put it in, more times Nightbot sees it pull up, the better odds you have of being picked. At least that's the theory. Maybe it's wrong. People can try to type it in once to see what happens. See if they get picked. Only 3 a.m.? Wow. Holy smokes. Hey, find out, where are you from? 3 a.m. It would be fine if I gave you the account. From Greece, but you live in the UK? Nice. Go up, please. Market's boring tonight. I don't know. I'm pretty happy. I've had 3 trades, 3 closed trades on stream, all winners, in 1 open M&Q still. So I'd be 4 for 4. And one of the trades was $1,000 winner. So pretty happy. Now I like it if the NASDAQ would just get on up there, but it is what it is. It's not what it's not. Yeah, price is stuck now. Yeah, we got about 4 minutes. 4 minutes till the top of the hour. HSI back red. Back down 15. Nikkei's back down 308. Cosby's down 117. Gold's down 22. Gold's trying to get back down here. So hoping gold would pop up a little bit more. Hey, Raj, what about, I know you said you would be willing to short gold up in the upper bands. What about buy it down at the lower bands? Or does the higher time frame scare you away too much? I don't know. Sellers have been a lot stronger than the buyers recently. I really want to see if that M&Q is going to hit my target. It's not there yet. Needs to go on up. Please and thank you. Look, we had a pretty decent move down tonight. Got it back up, and now we're just choppy, 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 chop. I'll get there just a matter of time. I don't know. If it's not there before we get off stream, I'm moving that target up. We'll move the target all the way up. Watch it. Move it all the way up to about 297. Maybe front run that 297. But watch, I'll wake up tomorrow. The market will come like right there and be like, boom, when I wake up. I'm like, you son of a beep. All right. In the chop zone, we are starting to get stretched away from the EMAs. Do I dare take a swing at it? Oh, you sent me an email. Let's go look. Let's see. I know my contact was out of the office today. Said it'll be back tomorrow. Let's see. I don't know. DLL, I got a love-hate relationship. I hate when they lock me out. But I can't tell you how many times I've hit the DLL, saved the account, came back and got it funded, and sometimes even got it to a payout. We're still trying to push down here. All right, coming up on top of the hour. I bet you went to the other email. Oh, that's gonna be pretty detailed. Hey, Josh. Hey, is there any way you can send me that email with your details, and I'll read it a little bit more carefully after the stream, and then I'll see if I can maybe forward that to them. See if I can get any more information for you, because they're gonna probably want your account, or at least your email. I don't need your account number. I don't want your account number, but the email you use with them that has the account. I don't really want your account number. I want your personal info. Wall of orders at 150. Yeah, we do actually. Hey, good eye on that one. Yeah, we have 120 contracts sitting right here at 150. Hey, then up here at 200. So we have roughly 120 at 150 and 120 at 200. Is that gonna be? Is that some kind of algo playing the game? Because that order's only been in the books for 9 minutes, 10 minutes. Let's see if they pull that order. I can see a little bit closer right there. Let's see if they end up yanking it. Right now, it's stopping price from going up there. Gold bridge second deviation. Hey, Raj, are you willing to buy it down there? Crude oil's third deviation. Oh, man. Crude oil scares me with all the news over in the Middle East right now. Yeah, third's up. Crude oil's up there. What's crude oil look like on the daily? 4 hour. Definitely up there, though. Oh, that MACD still looks pretty strong. I'm going to watch gold here a little bit. Gold gets a little bit lower. I might smack it. I want to see if gold looks like it's going to start bouncing. I'm going to smack it. Also coming down here. I'm going to play with micros. I'm not going to hit the big one, just so you guys know. If I do decide to trade gold, I'm going to trade the micro. D looks pretty freaking horrible, though. If we look at CL, CL's still going. CL's still going. All right, F it. I went long gold. Let's see if this ends up cooking me. We're down here in the bands. So I'm going to put my stop just below the third band. And maybe see if I can play this up here a little bit. Be a little push up. I don't know. I feel so good about this trade. Yeah. Let's see. EK's back down 290. Cosby down 127. HSI down 49. And gold's going to stop me out. This will be a small stop out if I get stopped out. At dump time in gold. On the bands, I give it a shot. MACD is pretty negative. I closed it. Closed it. Closed it, closed it, closed it. NASDAQ's coming on down. Back down towards the low regression channel. Get out of the shorts. Not going to look for longs. Roger's just waiting for me to get stopped out. I'm getting to the downside here. So stop me out too. For it's gonna get me. I don't see any news. I don't see any news. Stupid, stupid, stupid. So this isn't going to be good for my M and Q. Son of a biscuit eater. We're just trying to play right back to the structure breakdown point. Look, candle wick clearly broke below that swing. Can we come back and repair that structure? Maybe I should front run it just a little bit. Front run that just a wee little bit. Raj, you doing 1 mini? Wow. Hey, oil's pulled back a little bit. There's GC. Oil's trying to pull back here just a wee little bit. Glad you closed that ES out for $87 loss. Yeah, ES is actually back below VWAP now. There's VWAP, we're below it. One more push out of gold. All right, so ABC pattern. Look, we barely missed hitting it on the NASDAQ. We're coming up on the invalidation point. Joker's gonna stop out my trade too. Fantastic. All right, let's go check on the overseas markets again. DK back down 379. Cosby down 143. HSI getting weaker, low of the day. So what happened last night? The HSI started taking on water and then pulled the rest of our markets down. We'll give it another shot. We'll give it one more shot. We are below the regression channel. We'd feel a lot better if we had a bubble. And we'd already hit the VWAP. But here we are. Where's the buyers at? Come on. 4704. Come on, push it, push it, push it, push it up. Hey, I looked over here on the ES. I'm like, wow, look at that big old trade detector bubble. Came right down and hit that liquidity. Now we're just going sideways. That's funny. I got one target off. See if we can get the second target. I'll probably close it before it hits my second target, to be honest with you, but we'll see. If it hits my, if it goes up. Oil's back up 70. NASDAQ's coming back down for me. Maybe all the upside's over with. They pushed it up. They could not break it up. They just got stuck up here. Now they're going to roll it back down. Hopefully not. Hopefully that's not going to be the case. But we do have the ES below VWAP. NASDAQ still above it. ES did break below VWAP. And what we gotta be really cautious of, do we see the ES come back up to VWAP and then reject and start coming back down? If so, get a favorite downside on the ES if that occurs. Yeah, crude oil is on the move up. Fly under 29K, we might. Could. Got a 9 count right over here on the ES. We're working on bar 9 here on the NASDAQ near the VWAP. So. Come on, I just need a little squeeze up. Squeeze up, please. Hey, oil's up 80 ticks now. 80 cents. $46.93. Start buying gold. Gold's still going down right now. Still going on down. We did get the 9 count on the NASDAQ. We got the VWAP right down here though too. We get a little push. I just want my money back. Give my money back, please, Mr. Market. Ooh, look at that delta that just came in. I like that delta. See, the trade detector bubble showed up too. Trade detector bubble showing up right where that delta is. I think they just slam it back down. There's a bunch of stops being run. Creating the market orders. It might have been. Hopefully that's not going to be the case. Hopefully we can get some oomph out of there. Yeah, JLo's nights was going good. Only had one losing trade that was in gold. No, 2. I lost in. I've had 2 losing trades now. Lost 1 in gold and 1 in the NASDAQ. The gold was small though. It was like $50. Work on your own van. Oh, there we go. Come on. Push it. If it actually goes up and it'll hit my target, I would cover the gold loss and the NASDAQ loss. If. That's a big if. Yeah, I probably should have taken it. We had the sell set up too. Son of a biscuit. Hey, what kind of van is it? Gold spike time. Let's go. So Raj, you're saying I should get back in again. Give gold another swing at it. It's dancing with VWAP, but the problem is, yes, it's already broken below VWAP, it's still below it. I wonder if the NASDAQ's going to follow suit. Come on, let's get up there. If I run up there and hit my target, I'll be very thankful. Please and thank you. Come on. Come on. You got it. You can do it. You can do it. That right there, I could close and I'd make up for what I lost on gold in the NQ. A little bit more. It's just a little extra in the piggy bank. Oh, Dodge Caravan. I was thinking it'd be like a full size. I was thinking like a full size van. All right, hey, I appreciate that. Bam. All right, that puts me at new session high. So I lost on gold. I lost on one NASDAQ. Oof. Let's see if the ES is following suit. Hey, it's gonna be important. Does the ES make it to VWAP and then reject back down, or can we get back above it? Went down a little bit too far for me to consider, kind of bouncing off VWAP. A little bit lower than I would have liked, but. Bitcoin new moon. Oh wow, Bitcoin is getting it. Holy crap. What's going on in Bitcoin? Bitcoin is getting it. Up 17 hundo. Oh, look at Nikkei. Nikkei's firming up. Kospi's still locking. I did get back in this gold trade. I gave it a second shot. Rosh said he's getting in. I'm going to peel one off, I think. Peel one off. I'm out. I'm closing it. I'm closing it. I'm out of the gold. New session highs. Let's go. This is much, much gooder than last night. Loving it. Loving it. Loving it. Loving it. Hey, yes, got back above. Is trying to get back above the VWAP. I think it just barely got above it. All right. So I got the NASDAQ M&Q trade on from beginning of the stream. Still hoping for 159-ish. Not there yet. And we do have a potential larger ABC pattern in play. All the way up to 297. Now we haven't broken the B point to truly validate that pattern. And what I mean by the B point, by the B point, we got to come up here and break 227. I will call it 228. We got to get above 228. That opens the door to 297. Hey, Bob, have a good night. Nah, I have had 6 monitors. Last setup I had was a 65-inch TV and 2 32-inch monitors. Now I just have two 57-inch Samsung G9 Odysseys. So the curved monitors. I'm loving it. I love these monitors. No, this chart right here is a 1 minute. I do have a 5 minute over here. I do look at it as well. You can really see it here, right? Big push up, consolidation. Kind of looks like a little bull flag-ish pattern. And look what we have above us. We do have an FEG up here. So 196 up here to about 211, 212. See if we can push, maybe break above here and push up there. That'd be great. Oh, Raj, you got your long gold too? Yeah, I think it could still maybe push, but I didn't want to tempt it. So Nikkei is going to be going lunch here shortly. Nikkei is only down 19. Look, hey, Nikkei took the longest to get into the gap. Look, Nikkei's almost filled the gap from last night. I'm sorry, from tonight. Almost filled it. When we look at the Kospi, it's not there yet. I don't use spot gamma during the Globex. I do use Mentor Q though, because on Mentor Q I can actually see I see how much gamma is at each strike price still. So I do look at it on the ES or NQ, which I'm kind of curious. Let's go look at gold real quick. Look where we bounced right off of. Came right up to this gamma level up here, rejected down. Look, came right down to this gamma level, trying to bounce back up. So it's kind of pinned between these two gamma levels right now. I would have had a little bit more conviction had I looked at that chart before I gotten in that trade, but man, the books on the NASDAQ thinned out a little bit. Next liquidity level, 200. 29,200. Can we go ahead and make it on up there? Please and thank you. I'll look for the high GEX levels, use them as magnets. And then if we can pierce that high gamma level, then I expect continuation in that direction. So if we can get above it and we're holding it, expect it to keep on ripping. But then it's good. Then you can get a squeeze and get a bigger move in that direction. So look, if gold, for instance, on gold, if we could have held above this 47.50, then guess what? We're probably going to run, but we couldn't. We got rejected right back down. So like if we get below 4,700, then we're probably coming down towards this 46.50. Hold on, we might be getting out of the MNQ here shortly. Been in this trade the whole friggin' stream. Let's go do this real quick. We'll see if gold can make it back to a VWAP or not. Yeah, we're still having a hard time. We're having a hard time getting up here. So, yeah, stop loss is a must. I mean, it sucks being stopped out, but it's even worse blowing up accounts. Small loss can quickly turn into a large loss. Yes, coming right back down. NASDAQ coming back down. Really was hoping that was going to be the push that got me out of the M&Q. Yeah, every pump being sold. But at least we got them trying to, buyers are trying to step in. They still aren't really getting it, though. They need to put the pedal on the metal and push it. Push it real good. Yeah, BTC, Bitcoin was getting it. That's what I was saying. I wonder what's up with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's on the move. Man, we've been down. We've been stuck in this area for hours on the ES. Been down this area since 2:30 in the morning. NASDAQ, we're not even back up to that area. So 47.35 for liquidity on gold. Oh. We'll see if we can keep rotating up there. I got out of my long in gold, so we'll see. Tax reform, Japan. Yeah. Come on, just push it. Push it. Oh, yeah. NVIDIA's earnings on Wednesday. Ooh, who thinks they're going to beat? Will the market pop or drop after NVIDIA's earnings? All right, come on. Let's get to 159. I want to get out of this M&Q now. Otherwise, I'm going to be forced to move my target up. It's going to drop. It might. Chips have been having a hard time last several weeks. I feel like every time we come up here in my MEQ trade, just boop, right back down. Boop, right back down. Can we finally get a break and go? Hey, Nikkei's in the green. HSI's red. Kospi's red. Oh. I got several different charts. So this right here is a Ninja chart. Chart on the left is a 1 minute chart. Sometimes I'll flip over here to the 5 minute chart as well. Also use a 4 hour chart. Four-hour chart over here, some volume profile levels and stuff. Then I also have a 30-minute chart with volume profiles. That's my primary charts that I use. Then I have Bookmap. But here comes a pullback in gold. Wait, Raj, let's see if we can hold below 4,700 in gold. If we get below 4,700 and we hold, could be a much meaningful push lower. Come on, let's go. Stupid market. Yeah, Jay loves it. It would be 50%, but TPT sale is slated to end tonight. So I haven't heard anything about them extending the sale. I don't think they're going to, but I don't know. So if you're thinking about getting it, you might want to get it before the sale ends. You literally have maybe an hour and a half left. So I think they should extend it. So no, they do 30% sales sometimes. They've been having it at 40% for a while. All right, let's see. Let's see. Is it time to get out? Come on. All right, there we go. We got it. Bam, out. So my micro trade made a little over 100 points. My largest NQ trade tonight made 50 points. Let's go. All that consolidation, all the calls was being built. Now we're trying to get the push up. So no, hey, so it's 50% off and 0 activation fees. So once you pass, there's no activation fee with the current sale. I don't know what it's going to be tomorrow. I just know as of right now, 50% off, no activation fee. Hey, even the ES was able to pop back up. So ES is coming back up towards not only the opening price, but high of the day is only 1.5 points above the opening price. So look, we came back at the VWAP. We came down. We got back to VWAP. So then we started chopping VWAP. Then look, we broke here. Here's a test of VWAP. Now I want to be leaning more towards a buy side on the ES. NASDAQ's been above VWAP. We had the valid test right here. We came down around the same area again. So NASDAQ did come in the short term being, dang it, I missed my setup. Missed the setup I'm going to do the video on, but too busy flapping my gums. So, hey, give me one moment. I'm going to let my lovely assistant step in for a minute. Woo, guys, happy. But give me a minute. I'm going to go take my meds real quick and probably refill my water, and I'll be right back. So give me a moment. All right, what did I miss? Anything? Let's see. And valuation accounts trade. Yeah, valuation time accounting trade right now. So in the New York, if we look at New York session times, yeah, nasty taste to it. New York session times, starting at 6 p.m. at night, you can trade any of the prop accounts I trade with, and you got to be out of them anywhere between 4:10 and 4:45, depending on which firm it is. So, that's nasty. Yeah, Nikkei's that lunch break. No, so Purdy is getting a new account type set up, or where you can't withdraw into the buffer. And they reached out to me last week, said, "Hey, you sure you don't want the old account?" I said, "No, I want the account that everybody else that's gonna get it from this point on is gonna have. That's the account that I want." So I'm waiting for them to set it up. They gotta finish getting everything linked up with Tradeovate for the new account. So after that, yes, I'll be trading it. It depends on what you're looking for. Apex you can get. So look, Apex is going to be cheaper. So if you blow up a lot of accounts, Apex is probably better. If you want a lot of leverage, meaning multiple accounts, you can get 20 accounts. Apex is better. If you're looking for a better live experience, like you want to be like a live trader, you want to do this seriously, Purdy is probably better. Like they have easier rules to pass, especially the account that I passed. They had it stupid easy rules. Stupid easy rules. So before they changed it was $3,000 a pass, $3K drawdown for a 100K account. They title it 100K, but really $3,000 drawdown account. So depends. Pretty accounts are more expensive. So if you're currently blowing up accounts, you know, anybody, if you're blowing up accounts, you want to look for the cheapest account out there, period. If you're, especially if you're new to trading. Now, once you get a system down, hey, then it makes sense. Like you want to go with the more expensive options. So they just don't have it set up with Tradeovate yet. So for the rules where you can withdraw. So the old accounts, you can withdraw from day one. Once you got into a live account without placing one trade, you can withdraw all your funds, but they would ban you if you did that. But you could withdraw some of it and be fine. But now they're going to put in a buffer in place. They're trying to get that all worked out. So. Oh, I didn't see that. 100K intraday pro account. I didn't see that. Tradeify has got a 250K account now. Oh, I didn't see that. Holy smokes. When they add that, let's go look at that. Tradeify. And which account type is that for? Growth. Hey, I don't see the. Hey, where do you guys find that Tradeify account at? I don't see that. Where's it at? Tradeify. I'm on Tradeify's website, but I don't see that account. All I see is up to 150K. It doesn't show up on my browser. Let me refresh. I don't know. I don't see it. Oh, email special link only. Oh, okay. I wonder how many people is going to want that higher dollar account size. The higher dollar accounts are harder to pass. Oh boy, hey, Apple, I don't think you should do that. I don't think people should take out loans to get a prop account or to get any trading, period. I think you're setting yourself up for a disaster. Like, that's horrible. When it goes wrong, now you're in debt and you don't have anything for what you bought because you blew it up. Are we going to keep on pushing or not? Hey, Jesse, how are you doing trading tonight? Yeah, I was a little bit whacked out this morning. Hey, so once I went to the gym, I was a little bit nervous at lunch. After I ate my lunch, I had to take the other pill. I was like, man, I'm going to be zinging even worse. I went to the gym, I worked out, sat in the sauna, and then that calmed me down a lot. Since then, I've been back to normal. Well, I haven't traded the real accounts yet. All right. 40K in prop accounts. Oof. Jeez. Jeez Louise. Oh boy. Yeah, dude, you can pass the demo. Yep, I agree. 11 o'clock my time already? Nah, it's not 11 o'clock yet. I'm still hunting for one more trade. We'll see if we get it. Not a bad night. Only 2 losing trades. My trade count way down tonight to what it normally is, but the P&L is up. I'm not really upset with that. Means less fees and commissions, so I likes it. I lost in one of the gold trades, and wow. Gold is red now. Let's go look at that real quick. Mr. GC. Yeah, gold's back down in the bands again. Nikkei's at lunch. HSI is down 46. Kospi back down 152. Yeah, these darn hiccups. Try to push NASDAQ down here. Pretty good little smacking down. Look how far away we are from the EMAs. Ain't news. Hey, even oil's pulled back here a little bit. Oil's pulled back a little bit. Coming all the way back down or not? We are at the lower regression channel down here. Do I dare? Yeah, short term are coming in being oversold. I'm gonna give it a swing. I'm giving it a crack at it. I'll take a crack at it. We came into being oversold. See the green background. I'm not looking for it to go all the way up to my target. Just go up a little bit. I'll take it out. I'll get out of it. I'm out. Thank you very much. Ah, dang it. Yeah, Apple, that'll happen. Because you're on the same data feed. Jesse had that problem for a while too. So we do have the Dow back down 23 points. ES is up 1 point, 1.25. NASDAQ up 23.5, and Russell down 0.5. Hey, so let's see if we can run the likes up to 200 likes. We'll get that Lucid account giveaway started. Run it up, run it up, run it up. And I'll work on getting Nightbot all set up. Getting the little friendly ducks all set up. So smash it, and smash it. All right, there's the duck race. Okay. Now, in order to win, you got to be on the email list. First link in the description box down below. Your email has got to be confirmed. So once you sign up, we'll send you a confirmation email. Subscribers, email. Oh, Deep Charts, what's up? Hold on, I gotta put you on the list. I told you earlier, which as scatterbrained as I was, surprised I remembered that. That's funny right there. I'm 10 names. There you go. Dr. Goose. Yeah, we only need 5 more likes. 5 more likes. And we good. Good. Your duck's ready for the raid? Just to make sure I don't forget you this time. J Loves. I'm already copying and pasting your name on the sheet. Oh, hey, we got to do a poll too. All right, 200 likes. Bam. Thank you, everybody that smashed that like button. I do appreciate you. Let's go. We got to do the poll now. So, which oops. All right, so which place duck should be the second winner? We're giving away 2 Lucid accounts. So the first place duck will win. And will it be the second, 7th, 13th, or the last place duck? Hey Siri, set timer for 5 minutes. Oh, I think Jesse wants to come hang out. I just saw his text. All right, let's see what Jesse has to say. We're gonna get Jesse on board here for a little bit too. I'm not jumping off right as soon as we in the duck race, just so you guys know. Just trying to do it early. I know some of you guys got things to do, places to be. All right, so outputs. Let's see if I can hear it. Can I hear it? Ew. That's not the right place. All right, let's do this. Man, we're selling off pretty good. All right, there we go. Yeah, I got you. All right, Jesse's maybe going to be on with us. Let's see if we can get this right. Bam! Jesse's with us now. Welcome. Well,
all right, what's up, everybody?
I was a hot mess today, this morning.
Yeah.
Woof. I was singing all over the place. So we got about 2.5 minutes. Actually, about 2 minutes and 45 seconds left to vote in the poll. Which duck is going to be the second winner? So.
I voted. I got my vote in. What's up, Manuel, Adam, Frank? Deep Charts in the house. Ash Tree, Raj, Scoot. Of course, Mike, Mr. Mike Swartz.
I was in a chat about 4 times a day. I had each personality in my head just screaming around. It was a hot mess. Like, the doctor said, hey, you might be at the computer. You might bounce around a little bit. That's a whole nother ball game this morning.
A whole nother ball game. Hey, it'll be interesting to see if tonight's meds kind of wear off a little faster now that your body's maybe used to it.
I've had to take it all day. I take 2 this morning for breakfast, 1 at lunch, 1 after dinner, and then 2 just now.
Yeah, we'll see.
I don't know why they want me to take 2 before I go to bed. Hey, but my knee that I've had a problem with, hey, it fixed my knee feels 100%.
Yeah, I mean, I heard you talking about that earlier, and I was thinking, oh, that's right. I remember one time, I don't remember what I had, but they had me putting some kind of steroid cream, like a topical, on something. And I remember it friggin' fixed my right elbow. You know what I mean? I was like, what the? I think that stuff just goes to wherever your body needs it, you know?
Well, it was telling me it's for my skin, but
yeah,
it's fixing my knee. That's So now it makes me want to go try the cortisone shot.
Yeah, a lot of people do that kind of.
Because it's like a steroid shot they put in your knee. So if the oral medicine did good, I gotta believe that the injection into the knee would be better. But I mean, I don't notice any knee pain whatsoever. So
it'll be interesting to see how many days it lasts. Like, you know, maybe the knee's okay for a week or 2 weeks, or maybe only 2 days. I mean,
well, I'm only on the medicine for 6 days, and every day I'm taking less and less. Today's the highest dosage. But I noticed the knee relieving it after 2 pills this morning.
Holy smoke! There's a lot of. Hey, I'm not ignoring you guys. There's a lot of call outs here. Jay Loves, AMS, Block Talk, Carl. What's up, Carl? Rirish, Eric, HR. It's good to see all you guys. I see we don't have our bot attack going on tonight. That's nice.
Not yet. The bot ran out of batteries. He's recharging them for tomorrow.
Uh-huh. What's up, Britt?
Uh-oh.
Spaces. Oh, is the poll over? I got my vote in.
All right, let me go.
Everybody hurry up and vote. Hurry up and vote. Hurry up and vote.
And boom. What'd you vote?
I voted for number 7.
All right, it's going to be 13. Number 7 was winning for a while.
So
it'll be the 1st and 13th duck. Hey, that's what it was this morning. 1st and 13th. I figured people would want last, but.
What's up, poor guy?
The people have voted.
Lee, futures trader. Good to see you guys. Apple. Or should I just say sporting equipment?
Yep. All right, let's see. So when are you gonna start trading those live funded accounts?
Oh yeah. So after your stream this morning, I did end up. Oh, did we talk? I think we were on the phone for a minute.
Yeah.
I can't remember, but
Yeah, you called me.
that's right. And I told you I was just gonna sit it out because I didn't like how it was behaving. I ended up the price. It tried to like. I don't know. Am I the only one? But was the price action just garbage? Like it wasn't doing nothing this morning.
I don't know. I sucked this morning.
So anyways, it started moving, or what I thought it was going to be a move. So I did take 2 trades. I did $50. Or sorry, $45.66. That's my P&L.
I forgot because now you're trading micros.
Yeah, 1 micro at a time. So that was 2 scalps. I mean, not bad. I mean, if you translate that to what it would have been on a mini, that's, you know, $450.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad.
So I'm just trying to kind of take it slow and ease into these accounts. So we'll see.
Oh, yeah, that's good. The longer you can keep them, the better off you'll be.
Mm-hmm.
All right. We're going to give away the key phrase. So, hey, let's talk about the rules. You got to make sure you are signed up to the email list down below. You got to make sure that once you sign up, it sends you an email. Your email is confirmed. If you're already on the email list, you don't have to sign up again. Then 2, spam the chat with the key phrase I'm going to give out. Nightbot's going to pick about 10 people. I'm going to pick a handful of people myself.
And if I'm lucky, I might get a choice.
All right. So the code is going to be Lucid Daily 40 off. Bam. Code's dropped. Apple is the first. All right. Let's see. Reroll. Bye. Donna. Next one. Next one. Web. Next one. Cashflow audiobook. Next one. Captain Price. 1, 2,
Hey, real quick, I know there's a lot of new people here pretty much every night. So if you're listening in and you're subscribed and you can chat, don't put it in there once. Like you got to spam it. Like keep, you know, paste it in, send, paste, send, paste, send. The more times you put it in the chat, the better chances you have of Nightbot picking you to get into the race. Just trying to help you all out.
All right. Then we have, so Nightbot's picked out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's picked out 10. So you guys can quit spamming the chat. Some of the other people already promised to get in. Four Legs has a spot. Real Estate's in. Deep Charts. J Loves. Feel bad. Oh, I'm going to put poor guy in. Feel bad for that guy every time I see his name. Tom, you have a spot? Block Talk, you have a spot? I don't know how to pronounce his name. I keep wanting to say Elijah, but it's not. I don't know how to pronounce it. Lobster Dad, you have a spot? Ash Tree, give you a spot? This market's really having a hard time here.
Well, I don't think, let me scroll my chart over. I don't think those sellers gave up the ghost yet. Otherwise we would have had we would have got a big old rip up. I mean,
Nope.
some of them gave up the ghost. You see that we had a pretty big bubble up there. They finally said, you know what? If you ain't going to go down, I'm out.
All right, Manuel, you have a spot?
The delta on that bubble up there was 108. So that might have been a good chunk of those people that were trying to short, but we're just chilling at VWAP.
All right, Mongo has a spot.
What's up, Mongo?
Shoot, where'd he go? iTrade, you have a spot.
I make my window a little bigger here.
Elevated Life. There you go. David Snyder. AMS. many people got? What? I think we have 27.
Well, might as well get 3 more in there. Jeez.
You know, it's funny you say that. That's exactly what I was thinking. Hey, Raphael, you have a spot? All right, who you want to put in? Oh, trading game got a spot.
Let me get poor guy.
I already got him. Don't be trying to take it.
You really?
Yeah.
How'd I miss that? Okay,
Slack.
hey. Never mind. That person was typing the wrong. I almost picked somebody. I said, nah, they were typing the wrong thing.
Oh.
If you can't get the right code,
right.
come on.
All right, I got somebody else I just put in.
Let me go with Britt Martin.
Okay, I put Frank in, but who's Britt? Oh, hold on. We're gonna have a little bit more. I'm putting Mecca Noble in too.
Mecca.
And Scoot. And then I'll put in Brick.
Did we get John Berger on?
I don't think he's in here still, is he?
John, yeah, he the chat's moving too fast.
Is John in here?
Yeah, he's here.
Hey, can you type in the one that you just said? I can't find it.
Yeah, Britt. Here, hold on, I'll bring it up. Britt Martin. There it goes. You see my chat right there?
Not yet. Oh, I heard it on your keyboard before I seen it up here.
Yeah.
So I click, I'm looking. All right.
All right, that's a pretty full race.
I don't have John in here. Is John in there?
John, you still here? I thought I saw him trying to get in the race. Is Bob here?
No, Bob. Oh, let's do it. Hey, we're gonna put them both in the race.
Let's put them both in. We'll put them against each other.
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, John versus Bob. Let's go.
All right. That's gonna round out the list. We got a lot of people.
Boy, this is the Kentucky Derby of duck races.
Man, that was a hot mess this morning, I'm telling you.
Okay, so we don't have rewind on the stream, so you guys haven't fallen behind. I know you haven't, so you can
But hit live just in case.
Yeah, hit live just in case, but don't no more typing in the chat. We got a full house.
Hey, so should we do 1 minute or 2 minutes?
I like the 2 minutes, but let's see a 1 or a 2 in the chat. I'm gonna put a 2.
1 or 2 minutes. What do you guys think?
Put a 2 in the chat for 2 minutes, a 1 for 1 minute. So far, I saw all 2s. Yeah, it's overwhelmingly 2s.
Wow. Okay.
There's some 1s, but 2. Yeah, they like the suspense of the 2s.
All right. Here we go. We're gonna get it going. All right. Now make sure if the winner is not on the email list, you will forfeit. So if it's the winner 1, it drops the second place. If it's any other one, it's always 1 below it. If it's the last one, it pops up 1. Does that make sense?
No, you said the 1 below it. So
except for last place, it's 1 below it, except for last place. Last place, it have to be 1 above it because there's nobody below it.
Oh, yeah, gotcha.
Or do you have a better solution? I'm open.
No, I was just gonna stick to the 1 before on all of them.
Well, what do you do with number 1?
Oh yeah, I guess there's no easy answer to it. Yeah.
I think you're clipping.
Oh, am I clipping? Am I too loud, guys?
You were. I'll turn you down.
That's weird how that sometimes does that.
All right, I got you down a little bit.
All right, cool.
All right, so let's go see who's got what it takes. Who's going to be the 2 lucky winners? I have no idea.
So wait a minute. Is it first place and 13th?
First and 13th.
Gotcha.
Oh, you know what? Why did I say last? I was thinking the one from the other day we did first. We had like 8 winners on Friday.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Well, just moving forward. Now we know.
Hey, let's rewind. So if the first place one is on the email list, it goes to second. 13th, it goes to 14th. Just goes 1 down. All right.
Perfect.
All right. On your marks. Get set. Quack. Oh, there goes the sound.
Quack. All right, here we go.
Let's get it. Who's going to win?
This is a route race, not a sprint, guys.
I don't know. You might want to sprint and then fade back to 13th. Oh, Bob's trying to take the lead. Bob's like, F John, I got this.
Or if you're like Zenyatta, anybody ever remember Zenyatta, that racehorse? Man, she was good. She would just chill in the very back the whole race and then smoke everybody on the final stretch. Oh, man.
Hey, Nax Journey, I don't think Nightbot picked you. I never saw your name in the chat.
Oh, Nax. Yeah, I didn't see you get an entry, I don't think.
All right, let's see. Push.
What's up, Lambo?
This market's trying to scream up here a little bit. You think we go up tomorrow or down? I didn't see an X. Hey, join us tomorrow, Nax, and I'll make sure you're in the race. We got to give away every single stream all week. So we have 2 streams tomorrow, 2 on Wednesday, 2 on Thursday, and 1 on Friday.
Yeah, if you don't see your name on a duck, that means you didn't get in. Nightbot didn't choose you. So you'll have to come back and try again tomorrow. I mean, you don't have to leave. You can still chill, right?
I got 30 seconds.
John's attaching an anchor to Bob's duck. All right.
I got lasso him. Ooh. You see the duck. It would be pretty cool if you play a game like faster they're hitting the buttons. Somebody's on here saying, hey, faster you hit the space bar, faster it makes your duck go.
All right, so let's see. How many seconds am I behind here?
Oh, it's 8 seconds left.
Who's in the lead? Is it...
Oh,
changing.
Mechanoble, I think, is going to win. I think Mechanoble's going to win. For the win, Mechanoble wins.
That was your choice. You picked him.
I mean, I picked like a majority of them, though.
Yeah, all right.
So I have an unfair advantage. But hey, thanks for giving me the shout out. I appreciate that.
Hey, but we still got the 13th duck, too, so stick around.
Yeah, but look.
In the race.
Hey, this is the opposite of 13, 31. Oh, man. All right, hey, Mechanoble, what's the first 3 letters of your email? It's rigged. We don't even know who's in 13th. We don't even know who's going to win the 13th duck.
Yeah, you don't even know who the next winner is. It's not rigged. It's a random duck race on that website. You can go check it out yourself. Ain't no rigging.
Yeah, because I used to play it, and I friggin' lose every time I put my duck in.
Me too. I think I've only won that duck race once in like 3 years.
Oh, I think I have your info already. Let's see. Gmail.
Hey, congrats, Mecca. Ooh, look at that rip. Man, that's a big rip right there. Jeez.
Yeah, it's getting up there.
What the heck just happened?
Oh, look at it. ES. ES is shooting up too. I don't know. You seeing news?
Yeah. Pakistan and Iran discuss reviving the Islamabad agreement to resolve conflict. I mean,
okay.
It's still with this crap.
What about the U.S. though?
I know. I want to get through this friggin' Middle East stuff, man.
No, because then you won't have no volatility. You'll be like, I just wish we had some conflict somewhere.
Listen, every time I say stuff like that, you always tell me, no, dude, there's always something.
There is. Not always. There was like, I can't remember what year it was. It sucked. Okay.
Yeah. All right. So Mecca, you got Mecca taken care of.
Well, I got to log into Lucid real quick.
All right. Let's log in.
Because I think tonight's going to be 2 different accounts.
Wait a minute. So that was for a Lucid daily account right there?
I got to go find out.
All right. Let's go see.
Because I have a bunch of different accounts we're doing. Cause we got a lot of giveaways this week.
Boy, that was a nice little rip right there. Jeez.
Okay, so hey, Mechanoble, hey, you get first choice since you won. Do you want the 25K Lucid Daily EOD, or do you want a 50K daily EOD account? So the only difference is 25K versus 50. And just so you understand what you're signing up for, let's pull up Lucid real quick. So if you look at the difference, all right, profit wise, you have to make a lot less than 25K, 1250 in that one. You got to make $3,000 in the 50K to pass. You get double the drawdown in the 50K account. All right, 50K. All right, let's go. Let's get it. All right, I'm going to email you real quick. I don't have your email, but Hey, Mecha Noble, I'm going to send you a quick email. Just respond back to it. There, I just sent you a quick email. Just respond back. Just to make sure I got the right one. Because once I send the code, gone. Gone. Now.
Well, those last two big moves on the NQ were from the top of value area down to the bottom of value area, right back up to the top. So I'm short. And I'm going to play it back down. And let's see if I can get this.
You're going to play it back down?
Yeah. It's a little risky because the regression channel is kind of ascending over here. So
hey, let's see. Did oil drop with that? Oil's only at 25 cents. Man.
Yeah, oil's been dropping the last 1, 2, 3, 4 15-minute candles in a row or down. Oh, actually, mine's on delayed data, so I don't know where it's at right now.
Reply. Okay. I'm trying to get the first account and give it away first, so we don't know who's the 13th yet. I can only do one thing at a time. I got squirrels going. Squirrel!
Oh, hey, what's up, Roach? I didn't see you in the chat earlier. iTrades, good to see you too.
Yeah, remember, I gotta put these codes over so I don't lose them.
If I missed anybody, say hi again in the chat. It was moving earlier. I may have missed you. What's up, Just Ain't Right? Good to see you.
Okay.
Oh, come on, short. Work out for me. Work out for me. Finite saying, come on down, please. You and me both, brother. Man, I was hot, so I turned on the ceiling fan, and now I'm cold. I'll be right back. I gotta go turn this thing off. You know what's funny is I got those Lutron like special switches, and I've never even hooked them up to the Wi-Fi and installed the app. I should probably do that.
What is that?
It's like where all your light switches and fans and everything are. You can control the switches over on the wall from an app, from a smartphone app. So you could like crank up the fan, turn it down, fade the light up or down. Pretty cool stuff. I just never set it up. All right, I'll be right back.
All right, we got the first winner all taken care of. So Mecha Noble, you should have the code for your free account. Now on to the 13th winner. Let me zoom this up so we don't give it away.
All right, I'm back.
That was quick.
I didn't miss 13th, did I?
Yeah, I'll try to make it where it'd be more suspenseful.
Yeah.
As soon as I hit the thing, it's gonna make the thing the whole screen. And I didn't look yet, so I still don't know either.
Yeah, but you could slowly drag it onto the screen.
No, as soon as I hit this, it's gonna. Yeah, I want it. Where'd my mouse go? I want to learn at the same time everybody else does.
Yeah.
Like I really don't know. I have no idea. So, all right. Screw it. Oh, we can't see 13th. Ah, so Lobster Dad was 11th. J Love was 10th.
Okay.
Who do you think it is?
So there you go. If your name's on that list, you didn't win 13th.
Oh, Adam didn't get it either. So who do you guys think is in number 13?
I have no clue. And when the duck race finishes, it kind of like the camera zooms in on the winner and leaves all the rest behind. Like you can't.
Oh, hey, you can almost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know. It'd be too hard. 13th is going to be. Oh, it's blank. 13th is going to be. How do you pronounce that? Jermer? I always want to say Jeremy. I always want to say Jeremy, but.
Yeah, let's go with Jeremy.
I don't know. Hey, so number 13th. Let's see if he's still in here. Sure he is. He's in here quite a bit.
Oh, Tom, that's a bummer. I hate it when that happens.
Uh-oh, I don't see him in here. Did you see him in here?
Oh, he was early. He was.
Hey, Jeremy. Hey, I'm going to put you on the timer. So 5-minute timer to respond. Hey, Siri, set 5-minute timer. And if he doesn't win, it goes to the duck below it.
Which we don't know who that is yet.
Don't know. I'm going to peek, though. I want to know.
It'll be another moment of suspense.
No, I give him a 5-minute timer. I'm not upset. I'm not upset with the next winner. I checked.
Oh, you peeked?
I had to.
Oh. What's up, Yoda?
I said Yoda's timer.
Oh, Dreamer. Dreamer. Ah, maybe that's how it's pronounced. Dreamer?
Is it on here?
No, somebody else was saying it.
Oh, man. I always want to say Jeremy every time I see it. I know it's not Jeremy.
Yeah, me too.
Hey, Yoda, what's up? I'm doing good. I'm doing much better tonight than yesterday or this morning. Man, I did a hot mess. I started off good last night. Went down. I was up 1,100. Went down 1,100. Finished up 400. And then today, finished up. I think I finished up 400, but I was down 300 after commissions. 300-ish. But I more than made that back tonight, so I'm good. Very few trades tonight, so.
Oh, yeah. Scoot says, let's see who came in last.
See me in the gym here in Parrish, Florida.
Oh, there's Dreamer right there.
All right. Hey, what's the first 3 letters of your email? Hey, Finite, you would have been number 14. Finite was number 14.
Oh, bummer.
Finite was 14.
C-O-N.
All right, let's get it.
Congrats on the wins, guys.
Hey, you probably got to do a 2FA. Yeah, we got a lot of C. Nope.
Finite. Says that's okay. I didn't even know I was in a race.
Oh, CON. I don't. Oh, maybe it's right here. Might have missed it. No. What was it again?
See you, deep charts.
Hey, what did he say it was?
C-O-N, I think.
Yeah, CON. New highs on NASDAQ.
Oh,
we might get that 190. Somebody's looking for 190 tonight. Are we going to get it?
Wow. I mean, that's right up into that band.
Oh, boy. Hey, are you sure you're on the email list? I can't find you. Oh, wait. Here's one I didn't see before. Oh, I found you. I found you. I overlooked you the first time. I can't lose every time. Hey, poor guy. I've been putting you in the races. I'm trying to help you. All right, we're going to do a little 2FA. So, hey, type in the number I just sent you in the email. Dreamer. It's probably Dreamer. That makes more sense.
Good night there, four legs. Okay,
all right,
put
perfect.
17.
Hey,
right,
can you reply back to that email too? Just put test, put anything, just a symbol. Otherwise, I'll end up emailing myself back and we'll be in this big old messed up situation. All right. I get duck race off my screen. Boom, boom, boom. But, oops. I forgot we had him on a timer. Scared the crap out of me.
That's funny, finite.
Supermarket. That's what I was saying this morning. All right, perfect.
Oh, Coop too, born on the 13th. Friday too. Wow.
I almost died on Friday the 13th.
Jeez.
It was pretty messed up. I was a kid too.
If that ever happened to me, I'd just stay home on Friday the 13th. Okay, seller's trying to step in. Let's see.
Are you still short?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, I sent your code. So we have all the giveaways done. So I'm curious.
Rye guy, I think Mike had a gold trade. Did you trade gold tonight, Mike?
Yep.
Yeah, he had a gold trade.
I had
don't
two.
trade.
I got stopped out of one.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Come on, sellers. Oh, they gave up. That was short-lived. I don't know if did you get a buy bubble up here? I've got a buy bubble up here.
No, but I got mine set a little bit higher.
Oh yeah, I'm set at 30.
Hey Raj, have a good night.
What's your set to? Because this is a 43. But I think it works different too on Renko bars.
All right, dollar C's. Oh, you do? Yeah, it might. Trying to pull back. I want to go look.
Raj.
I want to go look. Nikkei should be coming back from lunch here pretty soon. 6 more minutes. HSI is down 80, 85. Kospi's trying to come up here a little bit. Still has not completed the ABC target yet. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
If this thing gets back to my entry, I'm just going to bail on this trade.
What's your entry price?
147.75. So I think it's just going to keep grinding up. I want to get out of this.
Oh yeah, you're short.
Yeah, I forgot why I got in that, but I went against the regression channel, and that's never good. So
You got him because you want to make some money.
no, what did I see at that moment? I can't remember what I.
Yeah, task force when you need it.
Yeah, Gleb, me too. Why am I short? Like, excuse me. VWAP is kind of angled up. My channels are angled up. I don't know. Hopefully it gives me an opportunity to get out here and I need like 10 points. I mean, I'm only down $11. I could bail on it now if I wanted to. Oh, there it goes. Come on. Come on. Push. Come on. Oh, buyer stepped in. Man.
I was trying to get a little bit more out of this gold trade. I got back in gold again. Almost,
did you?
Joker almost stopped me out though. Almost stopped me out right down there. I'm thinking about just killing it. I'm gonna take it. I don't want to take a chance. Those 3 gold trades, 2 wins, 1 loss.
Nice.
My loss was only like $50, $53 ish.
Hey, Ray Guy says he's long on gold too.
No, I was long on my gold trade. Actually, all my gold trades were long.
Oh,
Actually,
man.
I think all my trades tonight were long. Huh. Interesting. I still think we want to rip. Look, hey, Jesse, here's what I looked at earlier. So on the 30-minute chart, we have a potential ABC pattern up to 297. 297 and a half. So.
Yeah, I should have bailed on that when I was only down $11.
It's always funny after the fact. Man, I would have gladly have taken being down $20, $11, $100.
Yeah, it's pretty brutal. It's pretty brutal to spend the last, what was that, 3 days making $9K to pass these accounts, and then boom, 1 micro at a time, sir. Thank you very much. It's like I'm over here talking about $10.
They didn't say you wanted. Oh, are you in with the live accounts too?
Yeah.
Oh. Ew. Well, I mean, they didn't say you have to trade 1 micro.
No, I know, but I don't want to, dude. With $2,000 of drawdown,
That's what we get in 50K accounts.
Yeah.
It can be done. Hey, all the $1 million payouts in Apex were 50K accounts.
Yeah, I heard that.
So it can be done. Pooped in the bathwater. I don't know what that means, but all right.
Yeah.
Definitely not me. I don't take baths, but all right. I believe in only showering once a year.
Once a year?
Yeah, I don't want to waste water.
Oh, yeah. Speaking of that, let me go check out the... Sorry for the yawn. Jeez. I stayed up way too late last night.
We're about to take out the high. Oh, shoot, you're not long. I was getting ready to root for you.
Yeah, I'm not going to take too much more heat on this. It's 1 micro, so I'm not like, it's not super painful yet, but I was just trying to target VWAP. I mean, that's not that, which is inside value. So you would think, I don't know. I think I just got to be patient here.
Oh boy. Hey, Nikkei is coming back online here in less than a minute.
Are they?
Yeah.
They were selling before they went to lunch, right?
Yeah.
So hopefully they come back.
No, they're going up. They're going up.
Oh, were they?
Yeah. If we look.
Which was the one that gapped down? I can't remember.
Well, they all gapped down. Kospi gapped down. Kospi's only down 82 now. Nikkei closed up 70. It had a gap down, came back up. The HSI, which is kind of funny, it gapped up and now it's by the low of the session.
Yeah, it's kind of the opposite.
Throw your TV out the window.
Finite wants them to buy. Finite, I thought you were short.
Hey, it's not really moving. It's right at the same price. I'm worried about that ABC pattern on the 30-minute rallying up.
Yeah, where's it end at? 180 or 190?
297.
Holy smoke. I don't want to take that heat.
Jesse's like 187.
Jeez. Oh, Finite took a bit of profit. I assume you're long now because you were saying they better buy. Yeah, I hate where my stop's at too because I wanted to be above that VWAP band, and that's now I'm looking at it and it's like, eh.
Well, it's 1 micro. I mean, that's not crazy.
Yeah.
What, 20, 40, 60 bucks from here? Oh, wait, you're not 149. A little more than 100 bucks.
Oh, there comes the buyers again.
New session highs, baby.
Oh, wait, they came back from lunch a minute ago, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it wasn't really moving. Oh, there it goes. That is. Yeah, I seen it. It was open. It did gap up. Nikkei is now up 250. Kospi's trying to push on up. Maybe go ahead and fill that gap as well.
It's kind of interesting how I mean, there's no news, nothing crazy, nothing. So what makes people decide, let's buy tonight? Like
it's not going down.
Yeah, but I mean, geez.
Most people are buy side traders.
I guess that makes sense. Last night was brutal, down, right? If I remember correctly.
I mean, a lot of the funds, they can only buy, they're not allowed to short. So there's new highs.
Jeez, relentless. And where are we at on my... Oh.
I don't know. So we're up in the bands. This is the area where you'd expect, but man, when I look at the 30-minute chart, look, all this, it's called, to me, it's calls being built. Look, you had the little sideways here. They flushed it. Now we're back in that range where we flushed from. So look, they couldn't hold it down there. So now I think we're going to try to have a little upside testing. That's why I like that 297. That's why I said if I'm not out before the stream ends, I was going to move that M&Q target kind of front run that 297. Yeah. Hey, John says, since when did Jesse care about price running endlessly long? Endlessly long.
Well, when I'm in a short, John, of course.
Hey, but Jesse doesn't like the short.
Hey, I was playing the value area rotation back down, and it's just
no. Look, we never made it above value area high. You don't want to play off the developing value area.
What are you talking about?
You don't want to play the rotation. The developing volume profile is always moving. So look.
No. That's not how. I'm not talking about that.
Oh. Because one of the trades I played earlier was this white line down here. That was value area low from today.
Yeah.
We went below it. We came back above it. I targeted that candle body. I said if I had two contracts, second one would have been the point of control. But
and you're targeting way up there at the.
No. I got out of that trade.
Oh.
But I said if we didn't hit the 160, which was I moved it up here. Where did I move it to? Oh, we had an ABC pattern form on the 1 minute, so I ended up moving it up. I said if that target doesn't hit, I'm going to move it all the way up here in front in that area. I'm out of the trade now, but I like it. But I was like, for the day I had today, I don't know if I want to go to bed with a bunch of trades on. Wake up in the morning and be like, oh crap, I got to DC the crap out of this. So. So. The devil says I'm screwed.
Yeah, me too. It ran a lot farther than I thought. Now value is starting to migrate up, and so we were in this range for too long. I should have known better. Too long. When I finally wanted to go jump in, too bad, so sad.
You can always jump out. We do have a 9 count up there in the 1 minute.
Yeah, right in the band too.
Oh, hey, Mechanoble, thanks for coming and hanging out with us. My stomach. It's like screaming at me now. So look, this morning I wasn't hungry. Now I'm hungry as can be.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's weird.
I know I'm about to go grab me a pepperoni stick. I don't know why I've been craving those. I buy them by the friggin' bucket.
By the bucket?
Come on, sellers. Drop it like it's hot.
You only gotta go down another. Hey, what are you gonna try to target on this for downside?
Oh, I mean, I'll take anything at this point.
Yeah, but then it goes down there. What do we do? Let me see if I can get a little bit more. Let me see if I can get a little bit more.
Yeah, I had a chance to get out of this for only being down $11. I should have taken that.
I think it's a good area for a short here. You're in the bands and you got the 9 count.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean it's going to work. And on the 1 minute, we do have a little bit of delta divergence right there too.
Yeah. Yeah, finite. Yeah, exactly. They're buying it up when there's no resolution anywhere in Russia, Ukraine, Iran. I mean, everything's a mess. Yeah, let's buy it. Yeah, Tom, that makes sense. If you can be disciplined enough to trade a 25K account, I can't. So
25K accounts are, believe it or not, they're easier to get past in the payout. I know it's crazy, but they are. The only limited is once you get an account, you're limited. Like if you grow that account, how many contracts you can trade to really grow it. That's the only thing I don't like about it.
Come on, baby. Let me out of this. Yeah, exactly. Finite. Wait a minute. I thought you were long.
Hey, that was the last trade. He's back on your side. He felt bad for you.
Finite, you're flip flopping. You're on a boat in your flippy floppies.
Hey, he's trying to help you out. He's like, I'm here for you. I got you. Nice. $100 profit and ran.
Nice.
Like it. I want to see what's going to happen with your trade, but who is this? Oh.
Come on, sellers. Come on.
See, right off the bands with a 9 count.
Yeah, well, how far is it going to go, though? That's the question.
Well, where's your entry point?
I don't know, because I added one up there.
Oh, jeez.
Where was my... Here, let me hit Control E. Where was my original
Hey,
entry?
so you should be green now.
It's break even. My entry...
And you said you'd take anything. You said earlier, I'll take anything. See, that's exactly what I said. That's what we do. We're like up, or we're down, it starts coming our way. Yeah, I'll take anything. I'll take anything. All right, let me move it down a little bit. Oh, yeah, I'm going to make some money. I do it too. Hey, I do it too. So
yeah, 147.75. If we could get back there, I'd be happy. But I'm not gonna hold out any hope for that.
Yeah, I do it too. So
yeah.
But hey, if it rips back up, you're gonna be upset. How many did you add? Just one? You got 2 on?
No, I have 3 total.
Oh boy.
I added 2 up there at the very tippy top. I'm actually pretty proud of that ad, but
until it goes back up.
Buyers are stepping back in.
He said, I'll take anything.
It's
I'll
like
take it.
The average entry
anything.
price is the ultimate support level.
I mean, we could come down a little bit more, but I don't know. Once I have a bad trade, I just want to get out. When I hear to that, it's better for me. When I try to push it more,
yeah.
That's where I get in trouble.
I agree.
So like back in the day when I used to DCA like minis and everything, I would, once I got in trouble, I'd get out for break even plus a couple ticks, maybe get out, and then I can start all over again. I can get myself out of that bad situation, figure out, okay, what do I want to do now? Do I want to go back? Do I want to flip the position, go the other way? Do I want to wait for another setup? Like, what do I want to do?
Mm-hmm.
And I was pretty good about doing that 9 out of 10 times. There's every now and then, you know.
Come on, just drop it. Give me like 5 or 10 points. Come on, just.
I still think it's better. The more I've done it now, I think it's better to just take the paper cut, move on. Paper cut, move on. Paper cut, move on.
Yeah, so. Buyers trying to step in again here. Jeez. What'd I miss?
Fire Knight says, Glad not on a voice call with you right now. I'm losing it.
All right, I'm out. All right, I got I got slipped on those micros. Darn it. I saw $8 and I closed it and I'm red $5. Watch it now flush. Oh my. It just dropped a whole friggin' 40 tick bar from where I got out.
Nah.
It just dropped 40 ticks?
No, it didn't.
Okay.
I was like, what are you talking about? It went like down like.
No, what happened is my, you know how the Renko chart?
Yeah,
like,
new bar formed, yeah.
Yeah, when the new bar forms, it pushes like the old price action off the chart and everything rescales.
Yeah.
And that happened right after I got out and it made it look like it dropped.
I still can't believe how good my knee feels. Like
$5.
This is nuts.
I'm red $5 instead of green $8.
$5.
Max Payne.
So how much you up or down for the night?
I'm down. $5. $5.34.
Oh, I thought you were up $10 earlier.
No, well, no, I had an opportunity to get out of that trade for only being red $11.
Oh no, I thought you took one of the trade earlier. You're up $10 or something.
No,
maybe that was today. You were saying
that was that was earlier today. I did $50 earlier today. So
I trade micros only if I'm looking for a big move. Jesse has a new live account and he's trying to build a little bit of a buffer before he gets anything bigger. When I say live, not live sim, live with the prop firm with TPT.
Yeah, so I was moved live with TPT and I don't want to blow it again. This is my second opportunity, so I don't want eventually they might say, you know what, dude, you're not for us.
Yeah, I think their sales ending in 17 minutes.
All right, that's right. Hey, if you guys don't have TPT accounts, now's the time to get them. Boy, that sell is really banging. That's why I got 5 accounts.
Oh, yeah, 5. I was thinking, I don't know why I was thinking, 2 or 3.
So, well, I have 3. The other 2 they're working on activating.
Oh.
I'm gonna have 5 tomorrow or the next day, whatever. Yes, Gleb, yes, it's a Pro Plus development because I was moved to Pro before.
And he was taking big payouts.
I only lasted 3 days.
Oh, that was a Pro. Yeah, I was thinking the Pro account.
Yeah, no, the big payouts were in the Pro accounts, and that's why they moved me live. But then obviously the nerves and everything, and I got stupid, and I friggin' blew them up in 3 days. So then next time I passed, they said, "Hey, you're gonna go to Pro Plus development. Slow down."
I think it's funny how a good day can turn to crap really quick.
I know.
In trading.
Yeah.
One little mistake can just set it off. Crazy.
Hey, Rambo, I've done that before, but I made sure to only do that using their money. So, So if you, I don't recognize you, but if you rewind about a month ago, what was it, a month? Maybe 2 months ago. I don't know.
Sumar Adam.
Mike had convinced me, so stop buying friggin' 5 accounts at a time, dude. You're blowing through the money. You're on tilt. Just chill. One at a time. So I did that.
That was a hard fight.
Got that account to pay out, and I mean a big payout, like big payouts. Used that money to reset another pro account, and then got those 2 to pay out. Used that money to reset another one, and so on and so on. And then eventually they moved me to live after like 30K that week. So anyways, moral to the story is those pro account resets are very expensive and not worth it unless you've got a lot of spare money or you're using their money to do it, in my opinion.
For me, I've almost done it. I've almost reset a funded account, but I'm like, no, I'm being an idiot. I'm going to really be mad if I go reset these 5 accounts and I blow them up for straight. So I just put myself in the penalty box, trade back, 5 days or however long it takes and move on.
Yeah, I was doing that, but I kind of told myself, you know what? I'm on a run right now. Why not do it with multiple accounts instead of just the one? I'm trading good. And also, I did not want to go through the lengthy eval process again. Man, that's the worst part for me.
Hey, so you know what's funny is, so we complain now, 5 days. Hey, it used to take how many days to pass Apex?
I don't know, but when I
think it was 8 or 10 days,
dude,
just to pass.
I think so. I started with Top Step, and I believe it was like 10 days. I think.
Yeah.
I can't remember. You had to pass twice.
Oh, 8 days. Yeah.
I think
Yeah. Top Step had 2 steps. It had step 1, but then step 2, you had the news restrictions and all that with it.
Yeah.
Then you had to get funded and get over the payout threshold. Then you could get paid.
Yeah.
Hey, they had it made. They had it made back in the day.
Now you can friggin' get a Lucid Pro and pass it in 1 day.
And trade it that same day.
And exactly. Now that's fire, man. I love that. I think Tradeify does that now too, right?
Yeah.
On their accounts that you're able to pass in the same day.
I just like whatever you pass an account, you can just boop right there. Activate it within 30 minutes. So.
Hey, Rambo, no problem. Hey, Rambo, do you have a funded pro account with them right now where you could get it to pay out and use their money to reset another one? Or are you all blown up and wondering what's the safest approach to get back to funded? I guess that's the question. Because I was in that boat too. So if you're in that situation, Mike told me not to do it, but I did it anyways. I think it was $15.99. So it was $1,500 or $1,600 or whatever. I paid it and I did one account. Got it to pay out.
Yeah, but here's the part of the story that you don't tell people. Like, oh, Mike just told me to only buy one account. Hey, what he doesn't tell you is for months I was telling him, don't quit buying all these accounts. Only buy one. You make it sound like it was just one time I told you.
Well, I don't know that it was months.
It was a long time. I kept begging you, please stop.
Hey, now they're dropping it. They're going to try to bring this back to VWAP, aren't they? These little...
That's what happens. Like, oh, they're just doing some checks. Is Jesse out? Jesse out? All right, let's go. That's what they do to me all the time.
Hey, Rambo, with that being said, I would just be very careful with that account. Get it passed. Get it to pro. Get it up above the buffer. Get yourself a big payout, and then use their money to reset a second one if that's the game plan. That's what worked for me anyways, right? Not financial advice, but that worked for me. It worked really well actually for me, and then they moved me to live and I blew it. So here I am, Pro Plus development, but we'll make it work. Micros it is until I build a buffer, and then we'll go from there.
Hey, J Loves, he was buying 20 different accounts, 5 at each firm or so, right?
It was 15, but yeah, because I wasn't including Apex then. But 15, and I trade the 150K accounts, right, guys? So this adds up. It was like $2,000 a pop every time I got stupid.
Top Step charges that monthly fee on all accounts. Yeah.
Hey, good night, Kelvin.
I don't think I'm taking any more trades tonight. I think I'm done. Hey, I didn't take a whole lot of trades tonight. I'm pretty happy with that. So I got a nice little cushion going into tomorrow.
Hey, Rambo, before we say goodnight here, hey, I'm glad you asked, because I've been right there where you're at, and I'm telling you, even Mike said, he was so close to spending the money. It's tempting, but here's the problem. If you've got one account, and I've done this many times, and this is why somebody was asking earlier, am I getting some more prop firm accounts? And I answered in the chat, I said, no, I'm going to focus on my lives. But here's what happens to me anyways. Let's say you reset that bad boy and you've got one eval that's almost passed and you got one funded account tomorrow. I would end up messing up, getting overconfident, over cocky, thinking to myself, oh, it's only an eval. And in the back of your mind, not remembering that you're copying the two accounts, you're trading more aggressively. And before you know it, boom, you ruin your chances of passing that other account. Or you blow up the friggin' pro account you just paid $1,500 to reset.
Yeah,
I'm telling you, focus on one, get it passed, get your money, and then add a second one and take it slow, super slow. That's what I would do. And all I'm doing is repeating what Mike told me for quote unquote months.
It was, bro. I swear to God, it was months. I was like, please stop. You're just throwing your money away. Stop. You can make back. I kept telling Jesse, once you hit your groove, you'll be amazed how quick your money comes back.
Oh yeah, I went from red on the year to green in 1 week, doing Mike's idea, one account at a time. Red on the year to green on the year in 1 week.
And it was red quite a bit too. It wasn't just like, you know, $100.
No, it was 30K or whatever. I mean, roughly that amount.
But I've learned that from all my drawdowns, all my major drawdowns over the years. You know, you're down in the dumps. Oh, I'm never gonna be able to get this back. And when you hit your stride, like, holy crap, I can't believe how quick I recovered. I'm not saying you're gonna recover it tomorrow, but once you catch that groove, it's amazing how quick you can get it back. Now, the question is, are you gonna repeat the same mistake that got you there?
Well,
So
I think that's one of the problem as day traders. I think that's one of the big hurdles we've all got to get over, is not making the same mistakes over and over again. That's the hardest part.
yeah, see, that's my problem.
Hey, we appreciate you, Rambo. All of you.
Rambo with the Lambo.
Yeah.
They got a 9 count. And it came down to almost your initial entry price. Just missed it by like 3 points.
No, what was I in at? Hold on.
149, you said.
147, I think it was.
Oh, I thought it was 149.
I mean, hold on. Here's
147 is a little bit further away.
Yeah, it was 147.75.
Okay.
You're right. It almost got there. I should have held it. Nah, it's all right. I'm okay with that. I lost $5. That's
Yeah.
fine. That's fine.
Well, I think I'm going to jump off and try to go to bed. I don't know. I'm not feeling very tired, but it's going to hit me in the morning. I don't have too many squirrels going on right now. I need to go find something on TV, and that might be how it'll put me to sleep. But but hopefully you guys will come out and join me tomorrow. I'll be streaming at 8 a.m. We got 2 more Lucid accounts to give away. I think tomorrow will be all 50K accounts to give away. So if you guys want to come hang out, love to see you guys there. With that being said, I'm out of here. You got anything else to say, Jesse?
Nope, all good. Good to see you guys, and I'll see you in the morning on Mike's stream.
All right, guys, take care.